So, hi, good evening. Can you all hear me?
Yes,
If you
sir.
can hear me, yeah, give me a thumbs up. If you want to switch on your cameras, I don't mind that. Superb, superb. Yes. So I'll just briefly introduce myself to you. So my father was a scientist, and we used to stay all the time in the research labs. He studied at he was working at the National Physical Laboratory. Uh, he was a physics professor. So by default, uh, and my mother was an English professor. So by default, there was an atmosphere in my house that education is important, and I had because I had my parents there, so it's easy for me to study. I went to IIT, did my BTech from IIT Roorkee, uh, in 91, by the way, बहुत पुरानी बात है. And then I asked my father when I completed my engineering, what do I do now? He said, what do you mean? What do you do now? You're supposed to know by now what you're supposed to do. I said, I really don't know. I'm clueless. I've done engineering, electrical engineering. I really don't know what to do in life. So when we say what we want to do in life is not a function of age, is not a function of knowledge. You need help, you need support. So our parents probably are best people after teachers, for sure, or before teachers. Teachers and parents basically fall in the same category. So he used to teach physics to students in the evening. Once he used to come out from his laboratory, he would have 40, 45 children, and he would be teaching them physics, 50 students. Suddenly he fell ill. I had done my engineering. So they started asking me for my help. Can you help us, sir? And I said, I can help you. And I started teaching them. So 3 months later, when my father came back, he had a major surgery, major operation. There were 750 bicycles after my house. I'm talking about 30 years back. I'm talking about 30 years back. And then I knew that, yes, this is what I wanted to do. Then I joined PACE. It's been 15 years now in PACE. I teach physics. I basically love teaching students. So after even 27 years, when Mr. Praveen Tyagi, he's like my brother. He said, I'm not feeling too well today. Would you want to take the class? And I said, he said they're amongst the best kids in PACE. And I thought, so why not? So thank you very much for joining in. And let's start the action. Now, one is concepts, and the other is misconceptions. Probably who's more important, by the way? Is concepts more important, or removing misconceptions more important?
Removing misconceptions.
Removing misconceptions.
Sir,
because if you remove misconceptions, then only your concept will get clear. Otherwise, it won't.
Absolutely. So this class, ये class हम devote कर देते हैं misconceptions के नाम. Let's discuss misconceptions. Let's find out what misconceptions are. And secondly, we'll try and find out the shortest method to reach a problem. We will discuss these 2 points. So misconceptions and how to solve problems faster, because all these exams have a timer in their hand. The examiner has a timer, and you don't want to see that timer, but there is a timer. So performance in that interval of time is going to be important. So we're going to discuss both of them. So before I start, because I met you for the first time, I would want to know where are we right now? So, okay, for example, I take a question. Yeah. Okay. Second option, the red option. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, the first question is on your screen. और भाई मैं खेलता हूं कौन बनेगा करोड़पति. सही जवाब फर्स्ट, जो सबसे पहले जवाब देगा, करेक्ट जवाब देगा, रिवॉर्ड पक्का है. We will see that happening. Let's see. Okay, this is y-axis, this is x-axis, and there is a person who's moving in a straight line. So this is x dimension, this is y dimension, and there is a person who's moving in a straight line. Now, my question is it a 1D motion? It is a 1D motion or it is a 2D motion? Boom.
Sir, can I say?
Sir,
Of course. Go ahead,
sir,
go ahead.
Sir,
it's a
1D
two-dimensional motion, sir. It's a
Two-dimensional
motion.
So it's two dimensional.
Two-dimensional motion.
Because you're moving in a plane.
Because there are two planes on which this can be
Dimensional,
worked.
two dimensional, two axis, so two dimensional.
It's two dimensional.
तो यार वो बच्चन साहब बोलते हैं ना, गलत जवाब। मैंने कहा था ना, आज ही क्लास में यही होने वाला है। दिस इज गोइंग टू हैपन टुडे। आज सिर्फ दिन है, आज शाम है सिर्फ मिसकॉन्सेप्शंस दूर करने की। अब लेट्स सी, आपने व्हाई डिड यू से इट इज टू डायमेंशन? बिकॉज you gave that logic, sir. Listen, there is an x dimension, there is a y dimension, it's a plane, there is a particle which is moving in a straight line, and as this particle moves, suppose reaches here, the value of x changes. This is the value of x. Do we know that?
Yes, sir.
This is the value of y. Then this particle probably reaches this point. This is the value of x. How do you find the value of x? You drop a perpendicular on the x-axis and measure the distance from the origin. This gives me the value of x. I say this is x1, this is x2. Now, once this particle has reached here, I can also draw a perpendicular on the y-axis to find out what the value of y here is. And this is y2. So, every time this particle moves from P1 to P2, so probably position 3, every time this particle moves, the value of x and y are changing. So this should be a two-dimensional motion. This looks very fine. लेकिन एक कहानी में ट्विस्ट है, और कहानी का ट्विस्ट ये है, प्रसून. I can see Prasun. Hi, and you're from Andheri?
Yes, sir.
Wow, Prasun, good to see you. There is Aditya also there. Jay Verma.
Thank
Jay.
you, sir.
Hi, Jay, how are you?
Good, sir.
Good to see you, bro. So, bhai, it is a two-dimension motion. So there are two dimensions, both are changing. So it should be a two-dimension motion. But एक बुक में लिखा है, एक बुक में ये लिखा है, और वो बुक का नाम है रेस्निक एंड हॉलिडे, H.C. वर्मा. इन बुक्स में ये लिखा है, when a particle moves in a straight line, when a particle moves in a straight line, it is a one-dimensional motion.
Yeah, because
हो गया स्यापा.
Oh,
हो गई.
अच्छा, क्योंकि it's not turning. मतलब breadth और width नहीं है,
There's
बस
no
एक ही रास्ते में
turn.
जा.
Plane is
So we're
rotating.
going based on
Yeah.
geometry or not based
Sir,
on.
but
See, I'm just stating facts. I'll tell you the logic, I'll give you the, I'm just stating the fact. First fact is XY changes should be two-dimensional. Fact number 2, which is absolutely the opposite of the first fact, which is written in the books, that when a particle moves in a straight line, it is a one-dimensional motion. The problem now is, who's saying wrong? Who's wrong in this?
sir, none of them.
None of them or one of them?
One.
I would say
One.
them because a particle has neither length nor width. So technically, you can consider that as a one-dimensional object.
अब
But
देखो,
if you think of this motion, then it's a two-dimensional motion because there's an x and y plane.
प्रसून बाबू, प्रसून, अगर मैं डेफिनेशन ही चेंज कर दूं या तुमको करेक्ट डेफिनेशन बता दूं तो मजा आ जाएगा.
Okay.
तो ब्रो, यू से दैट अ 1D मोशन. ओ, आई सी मोशन ऑल्सो. चलो एक छोटा सा सवाल मोशन पे भी पूछ लेते हैं आपसे. आई एम ट्राइंग टू ब्रेक इट. आई एम गोइंग टू ब्रेक दिस इनटू 3 पार्ट्स. This is 1, this is D, this is motion. I want to define all of them, and then I will find out what is the right answer. What is motion? Is motion distance?
No.
Is motion,
No, sir. No, sir. Oh, acha, oh.
is it velocity? Is it
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Is it all of them?
All of
Is it
them.
some of them?
All of them.
It can't be all of them. It can be.
Technically, all of them are in respect to motion.
Yeah,
But-
your
Yeah, I
reference
mean,
frame.
yeah, if I'm standing, I'm at rest. If I start moving, there is a distance. If I continue to move and continue to move in one direction, there will be displacement. Hello, when I'm moving, for sure there is velocity, because velocity is change of position with time. If position is changing with time, there is velocity. Hello, sir, ये भी तो हो सकता है that body starts accelerating, so even acceleration is motion. And that is where the confusion starts, and that is where the examiner wants to know whether you know exactly the right answer. So there is
So
a
acceleration is not motion. Acceleration is not motion.
see, it is a part of motion only. Na? See, when a particle is moving, suppose I'm sitting in a car, I start accelerating it. So there is acceleration, there is velocity, there is displacement, and I say I am moving, so a particle is in motion.
No, but sir, acceleration is like it's like the rate of increase in velocity, and
Yeah,
In
velocity is the
respect
rate
with
of motion.
motion of that object.
yeah.
So it is not motion.
I'm not saying that. I'm saying if you say it is not motion, then what is the right answer?
So motion is relative. So technically, it is moving in only one direction. Therefore,
Motion
it's in one
is the change
direction.
of
position of an
Sir,
object
sir,
with
I can
respect to
explain
time.
it. Sir, I can explain it with a simple example. जैसे कि अगर आदमी एक बस में है and he's looking at a tree outside. So, and there's another person in the shade of the tree who's looking at the person. So, from the person perspective who's sitting in the bus, the tree is moving while he is at a stationary position. While the person who's under the shade of the tree, who's looking at the bus, the person inside the bus is moving compared to him being in a stationary position. तो मतलब रेफरेंस फ्रेम पे भी फर्क पड़ता है.
रेफरेंस फ्रेम पर फर्क नहीं पड़ता, रेफरेंस फ्रेम पर डिपेंड करता है. तुमने बिल्कुल सही बात बोली. ये सवाल का जवाब नहीं है. हमारी बात सही हो सकती है, क्या वो उसी सवाल की बात सही है जो सवाल पूछा गया? Now let me rephrase it. You rightly said that motion is of course frame dependent. That's secondary. Right now, who is going to tell me about motion is who defined motion, and it was Newton who defined motion. So the right answer lies with Mr. Isaac Newton, because he defined what is motion in his Newton's laws of motion. तो मैं यार न्यूटन साहब के घर गया, मैंने उनका बेल दबाया बाहर से, मैंने कहा सर, दरवाजा खुला, मैंने कहा न्यूटन साहब आपने बोला लॉज ऑफ मोशन, आप मोशन को क्या लेके चल रहे हो सर? उसने बोला मोशन को मैं वेलोसिटी लेके चल रहा हूं. मैंने कहा लेकिन सर जब बॉडी मूव करेगी तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट. अरे रुको ना, रुको भाई. There is dark area, there is white area, there is gray area. In science, there cannot be any gray area. So Newton defined motion as velocity. You understand what I'm saying? Let me first complete, then we'll reach, then I'll take your questions. So what did I say? Motion is, likho isko, motion is velocity. See, लिख लिया velocity. Now, अब आएगा कहानी में major twist. Get ready for the action, because I'm going to change the definition of this D, because D is not dimension, it is directional.
Direction.
It is directional. Please write it down. Oh my goodness. It's not D, that doesn't stand for dimension. No, it doesn't. It stands for direction. So write it completely. D stands for direction, motion stands for velocity. इसका मतलब ये हो गया, it is one directional velocity, bro. 1D motion means it is a one directional velocity. That's first misconception, and the class starts now. Write it down. First misconception. You should be very, very clear. When I say 1D motion, it means one directional velocity. अब अगर ये सच है तो फिर इस सवाल का जवाब आना चाहिए. अब चेक करेंगे. अभी जो मैंने बोला है, we will cross check it with this question, and then we will take a lot of questions to find out whether we are right or wrong. Hi Dia, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Are you enjoying the class?
Yes, sir.
Surely?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Good girl. So, you will tell me, Dia will tell me, what does a 1D motion mean to you now? Define 1D motion. Dia.
basically like it will be motion that travels like in one
Hello?
direction.
Dia, can you see this? One
Yes.
directional velocity.
Velocity.
I want you to tell me now, what do you mean by 1D motion? Yes, Dia. Prasun, can you tell me, what do you mean by 1D motion?
1D
So like
motion.
it will be
The
traveling
object
in
moves in a
one
single direction without changing its path.
अभी थोड़ा सा अभी रुक जा प्रसून रुक जा hold on to your horses.
Okay.
Right now 1D motion is one directional velocity. अब एक बच्चा पूछता है सर ये वेलोसिटी की डायरेक्शन कैसे निकलती है? हर सवाल में एक दूसरा सवाल होगा, हर जवाब में एक और सवाल होगा. दैट्स हाउ स्टोरी टेलिंग इज ऑल अबाउट. सो किसी ने पूछा सर अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या होगा हमारा? लिख दूं, हाउ do we find anything we discuss will be absolutely logical. How do we find the direction of velocity? Can anybody tell me?
Sir, since velocity is displacement upon time,
No.
and
I am not
That's
asking about the
velocity.
magnitude. I
So-
want somebody to tell me how. Listen to my question properly and then answer.
So
You
it
will
is
have to first
direction of
listen.
displacement. We find the relative direction to the beginning point. The final point's relative direction to the beginning point.
Tell me, is velocity
I
scalar or
could
vector?
answer this in a simple way.
So how
Yes,
you
I
find
So I might not be pretty accurate, but basically we might velocity typically means it's moving in a certain direction. So if we take any point we might find with the displace from where the this ray started, then any direction we might able to point out accurately where the direction is.
I'll make it simpler for you.
it can be the direction of the vector joining
The
the
direction
initial
of
and the final point.
displacement can we help us
Okay, hold on. Is vector scalar or vector? Is
vector.
velocity scalar or vector?
It's a vector.
vector is a vector always.
Vector needs two things, magnitude and
Direction.
निकालते हैं displacement upon
Time.
मेरा दूसरा सवाल है, मैं कहता हूं डायरेक्शन कैसे निकालते हैं? बस मेरा इतना छोटा सा सवाल है. आपने बोला वेलोसिटी सर वेक्टर है, मैंने कहा वेक्टर में दोनों लगते हैं क्या? हाँ सर दोनों लगते हैं. You need magnitude, you need direction. You said magnitude, displacement upon time. My question is, how do I find direction? Is my question.
So I'm not sure, but like
The direction of the displacement.
area upon magnitude.
So direction of
The
displacement
direction of the displacement is
or
taken as
the direction of the
velocity.
vector joining the initial and the final point.
अच्छा, let me make your life simpler. You know what happens? कुछ visuals होते हैं लाइफ में जिससे ना आंसर आ जाते हैं. Hi Abir, how are you?
Hello,
You
sir.
look, you
I'm
seem to
fine.
be standing. No,
No, I'm sitting. I'm
you're
sitting.
pretty tall. You're a pretty tall boy.
Yeah,
Hi Abir, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
I hope you're enjoying the class.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, you will love it. Don't worry. Action starts धीरे धीरे थोड़ा थोड़ा समझ के. अब मेरा क्वेश्चन था यार अबीर, हाउ डू यू फाइंड डायरेक्शन ऑफ वेलोसिटी? अब बच्चे कहते हैं सर कैसे निकालते हैं? मैंने कहा एक बात बता यार, इफ आई टेल यू अ पार्टिकल इज मूविंग इन अ सर्कुलर पाथ, if a particle is moving in a circular path, you will get the answer from here. And if I ask you, how do I find direction of velocity at this point, what would you do?
Tangent.
tangent at this point.
किसने बोला tangent?
Sir, नैतिक.
भाई साहब मजा आ गया. tangent. तो भाई tangent ड्रॉ कर दिया मैंने. ये क्या है? What does this tangent give me on a path?
Direction.
Direction of the
Direction.
particle
I ask you,
in that
tell
point.
me.
At that point.
So tell me, how do I find direction of velocity here?
Tangent.
You draw the
tangent
tangent on the
from that
point.
point.
So can I write it now? मैं देखो हम सवाल भी लिखेंगे उसका जवाब भी लिखेंगे. सवाल क्या था? How do we find direction of velocity? So the answer is by drawing a tangent. Interesting. Tangent on what? On the path of the particle, isn't it? When I say circular motion, what does it mean? A particle is moving in a circle. When I say it is a straight line motion, that means a particle is moving in a straight line. What is it called? It is called path.
Linear motion.
And later on in life, you would realize we start calling path as trajectory. Trajectory, bro.
A trajectory of rocket.
Yes. So if I say, what is the trajectory of this path? It's a circle. What is the trajectory of this path? It's a straight line. So how do we find direction of velocity? Tell me. By drawing a tangent on the path. Hanji, hi Anna.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, how
Yes,
did
sir.
Newton,
Well,
sir, how did Newton say that velocity is used for defining motion?
see, so when I defined that Sandeep sir is going to take this class, I defined it, na? So Newton decided, Aditya, hi Aditya.
Hello, sir.
Good, very beautiful question, Aditya. You know, in physics, it is 95% laws, 5% visualization. That's it. It's all set. You know these laws and you just need to understand those laws correctly. Word is correctly, in the right spirit. Right, Aditya? So
Yes, sir.
velocity is, motion is velocity. 1D motion means one directional velocity. How do I find direction of velocity? By drawing a
For drawing
tangent
a
on the
tangent
path.
on the path or
आ
trajectory.
जाइए. We have come to the climax of the question. Prasun, you have a doubt?
Yeah, sorry.
Shoot your doubt.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Sir, this tangent, it's drawn perpendicular in the direction.
आजा
So
मेरा
let's
बच्चा.
say the circle's moving in this way, but it's rotating clockwise.
Yes, so if it is moving in this direction, which is an anti-clockwise direction,
Okay.
this is direction of velocity. And suppose this particle was to move in a clockwise direction, then
Then
this
it's
is
opposite. Okay.
Yes, मेरा बच्चा. Absolutely right. On dot.
Thank you.
मजा आ रहा है.
Yeah.
That's right. Prasun, now let's
Thank you.
come to the grand finale. मैं इस पूरे पेज को गायब कर रहा हूं क्योंकि मैं इसको एक नया क्वेश्चन ट्रीट करने वाला हूं. अब I give you 30 seconds to a minute to understand the whole story of this question. What is 1D motion? Motion is velocity. D is direction. One directional velocity. Direction of velocity is found by the tangent, drawing a tangent to the path. And our previous question was, this is y-axis, this is x-axis. A particle is moving in a straight line. Is it a 1D or a 2D motion?
1D motion.
1D.
1D.
Sir, can you
1D
explain the
motion.
last point?
1D motion.
ये हुई ना
1D
बात.
motion.
So can
यार
you
मैं
explain the point of the drawing
आ
a
रहा हूं,
tangent,
आ
like
रहा हूं.
direction of velocity?
New page.
So
वाह.
write a question.
आ रहा हूं यार, पहले इस क्वेश्चन को तो आंसर कर दूं ब्रो.
Sir, can you try to explain the
राइटिंग इट डाउन बेटा.
velocity direction?
अभी सब कुछ लिखेंगे. 1D motion. 1. Directional.
Are you teaching kinematics or laws of motion?
I'm teaching you
Right.
both. You studied kinematics, Aditya. I would want to know what do you know in kinematics, because if laws of motion is going to be a part of it. Are you enjoying it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because this
Yes.
will give us, this will tell us. Acceleration समझेंगे तभी forces करेंगे ना आदित्य.
You will be
Yes,
taking all
sir.
the classes, right?
Kinematics has the laws of motion.
So you will
Yes.
be taking all the batches of like classes of Olympiad batch, right?
Yes, I'm sure. I'm going to. That's-
So till now we've only done like kinematics and 1D, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm revising it. I'm asking you your misconceptions, and then I will move to the laws of motion. Yes. Are we ready?
Yes.
Sir.
What
sir.
degree we have to draw the angle of the tangent at?
अरे मेरे
Like-
बच्चे, अभी बता रहा हूं तेरे को, तू टेंशन मत ले. पहले समझ ले वन डायरेक्शनल वेलोसिटी, बात खत्म. और भाई डायरेक्शन ऑफ वेलोसिटी हमको पता चलता है बाय ड्राइंग अ टेंजेंट ऑन द पाथ. नाउ व्हाट इज अ टेंजेंट? Somebody said, what's a normal, sir? I said, नॉर्मल के परपेंडिकुलर टेंजेंट होता है, टेंजेंट के परपेंडिकुलर नॉर्मल होता है. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I take this circle, I say I am here, I'm at this point, and I ask you, please draw a normal at this point. You would just draw a normal. I'd say draw a normal at this point. You will draw a normal. Normal is perpendicular, 90 degrees. And you see all these normals pass through the center. So the point of intersection of the normal to a circle is a center.
Is a center.
है ना? एक ही कहानी को अलग अलग तरीके से प्रेजेंट करेंगे. एक ही स्टोरी है, उसको अलग अलग तरह से आपको समझाएंगे. चलिए, अब अगर मैं इस नॉर्मल के परपेंडिकुलर कोई वेक्टर ड्रॉ कर दूं, अगर मैं इस नॉर्मल के परपेंडिकुलर कोई वेक्टर ड्रॉ करता हूं, लाइन ड्रॉ करता हूं, इसको बोलते हैं हम टेंजेंट. दिस इज कॉल्ड अ नॉर्मल. They are all both perpendicular. The normal passes through the center, and tangent only kisses just one point. It just touches one point at that point. Now let's come here. Now I come to that question. जो आपको जिताएगा, अब क्या जिताएगा? अब तो मैंने बता ही दिया. जो आपको जिताता 1,000 रुपए. कोई बात नहीं, अगली बार आएगा. X and Y. So the question was very simple. That a particle is moving in a straight line. And I asked you, is it a 1D or a 2D? Aditya, what is it? 1D or a 2D motion?
Sir, it's a 1D motion.
Why? You will have
Sir,
to explain.
because it is because a particle is moving in a constant direction, and
Yes.
in 1D D stands for direction, not
Wow,
dimension.
Aditya, I'm impressed. Aditya, तू ये बोल सकता है ना, sir, this straight line is a path.
Yes, sir.
ये रहा path. Sir, I want to find the direction of velocity. I was told draw a tangent at the path. Sir, that is exactly what I did. I did that. I drew a tangent. Then, sir, I reached this point. I reached this point. I wanted to find the direction of velocity. I drew a tangent. I come here, I draw a tangent, and all the tangents are facing in the same direction. That means everywhere the direction of velocity is same. That means it is a one-directional
motion.
velocity and not a 2D motion. लिखो. अब मैं 30 seconds इसको absorb करो, then we go to the next concept. Jay, how are you?
Good, sir.
Jay, तेरे पीछे क्या है यार?
Trophies, sir.
What's in the background?
Trophies, sir.
You won them all?
Yeah, sir.
Wow, can you tell me something, Jay? क्या कर रहा है यार? What are you up to?
Nothing, sir.
Rebuilding.
They're very impressive. So, what is your latest record or latest trophy all about?
It wasn't really anything related to studies. It was a Model United Nations.
Yeah, MUN.
Yeah, MUN, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, I know
So
that.
I came third place at in the WHO thing.
Wow,
I was Australia and I came third in WHO. So yeah, thank you.
You know, every achievement is important. Aditya, hi, how are you doing?
Yes, I'm doing fine.
हो जाओ शुरू. Next, छोड़ू तुम्हारे सामने एक और out swinger.
Yes, sir.
You
चलेगा.
like an out swinger or an in swinger or a googly?
Anything will work for me, sir.
Yaar, what is the difference between spin and swing?
Yes, sir.
Linear direction after tipping
ऐसे
at
नहीं.
the pitch.
ऐसा नहीं, ये क्वेश्चन है. जो इसका बेस्ट आंसर देगा क्लास के बाद उसको मिलेगा रिवॉर्ड, बट यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन मी. बट उससे पहले मेरा अगला सवाल आपकी स्क्रीन पर. देवी और सज्जनों, ओ गॉड, आई एम सो बॉलीवुड. क्या करूं? यप, डिलीट कर दिया. राइट. माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स. दिस क्वेश्चन, इफ यू आंसर करेक्टली, gets you 1,000 rupees.
Sir, is it a misconception like question or?
मेरे को कुछ नहीं पता भाई. मैं तो सवाल पूछूंगा, तुम डिसाइड करना वो कॉन्सेप्ट था या मिसकॉन्सेप्शन था. In these 27 years, आदित्य, मजा आ गया यार आप लोग के साथ. आप सबको पढ़ा के आप लोगों से सीख गए. So many students, so many doubts, same things. इतना कुछ सीखने को मिला. Now it's my time to give it back to you. It's
Yes,
my time
sir.
to give it back to you. Now, my next
Thank you,
question.
sir.
Very good, beta. My second question of the day, of the evening, ladies and gentlemen, is right there on your screen. I write A acceleration is a negative 9.8 meter per second square. I'm saying if acceleration is 9.8 meter per second square, now my question starts, is it acceleration? So, bhai, I said A equals minus 9.8 meter per second square. Acceleration, retardation, या both. अब पता है होता क्या है? इस नेगेटिव साइन को देख के ना कुछ अंदर से फीलिंग आती है रिटार्डेशन है सर ये. सर ये नेगेटिव है, सर ये कुछ रिटार्डेशन लग रहा है. फिर नहीं सर कुछ पढ़ा तो है, वेलोसिटी, पॉजिटिव, एक्सेलरेशन, बोथ भी हो सकता है. अब एक काम करते हैं, इसको जड़ से ही समझ लेते हैं once and for all. Let this problem get over today itself.
Sir, I had a question. Sir, I
Yeah,
had to say something.
Go on.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन में जब आप बोले थे कि मिसकंसेप्शन है, तो फिर एवरीबडी इज नाउ थिंकिंग दैट इट माइट बी बोथ जस्ट बिकॉज इट माइट बी अ मिसकंसेप्शन. आफ्टर ऑल डिसप्रूवन तो हो सकता है.
Reyansh Jha. Hi Reyansh, what's up?
Yes sir, I'm fine sir.
Interesting, interesting. आजा फिर Reyansh, I'm shooting a question. ये क्वेश्चन दिया मैंने, अब इसको तुमको एक सिचुएशन देता हूं. उस सिचुएशन से वी विल ट्राई एंड फाइंड आउट, फिगर इट आउट व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर. एक काम करता हूं, मैं यहां खड़ा हो जाता हूं, ठीक है, एंड लेट मी प्रोजेक्ट अ बॉल अपवर्ड्स. चलिए साहब, फेंक दिया बॉल. अब सर एक बात बताओ, if I'm saying acceleration is negative, say if I say velocity is negative, so it can't be magnitude because the minimum value of velocity will be zero. भाई मैं खड़ा हूं, यही मेरी जीरो वेलोसिटी हो सकती है, इससे कम तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकती. हल्का सा दिमाग में आ रहा है, समथिंग टू डू विद डायरेक्शन. ओके, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दैट. अब एक बॉल को मैं ऊपर प्रोजेक्ट करता हूं, ठीक. Let's first define what is acceleration. Let me see who will define acceleration for me.
Difference in
Sir, it is
displacement.
the rate of change of velocity of
Change of velocity sir.
Rate of
It is the rate of change of
And
velocity of a
V
particle.
minus sir, V minus U upon D.
देखो, whether it is acceleration or retardation, है तो rate of change of velocity. That cannot be the differentiator. The differentiator is going to be something else, and I'll just tell you the differentiator. You know
In a
exactly what
steady distance. In a steady direction.
हाँ.
Sir,
Yes, bro.
I think it's retardation, sir.
सुन तो सही, मैं
Both.
फिर वही कह रहा हूँ.
I think it is
आदित्य, the students don't listen to me यार. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? एक simple
मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ सर?
सी बात. Let's define the term correctly दिया. सारी प्रॉब्लम ही सॉल्व हो जाएगी. अच्छा, अब मैं नेक्स्ट चीज बोलूंगा, उसके बाद तुम अपने आप तुमको सब कुछ फंडे क्लियर हो जाएंगे. आई एम सेइंग एक्सीलरेशन सिंपली मींस इंक्रीज इन स्पीड. लिखो, प्लीज लिखो. इंक्रीजिंग स्पीड. If there is increase in speed, it is acceleration, and if the speed decreases, it is retardation. लिखो. मैं तो ऐसे लिख देता हूं, स्पीड.
Sir, acceleration and
Sir,
retardation
this
are
is
both based on
acceleration. It is
velocity.
acceleration.
Look
It's
so
minus.
सही.
Sir,
अरे,
it's
अभी
both negative.
hold on. धीरे धीरे, कुंजम, धीरे धीरे, स्टेप बाय स्टेप करेंगे, जल्दी नहीं है.
Sir, but acceleration and retardation are both about velocity, not speed.
I'll tell you. पता क्या होता है? This examination or any examination, if there are 10 lakh students or 5 lakh students who are writing this exam, and assuming that there are 10 lakh schools in this country, there will be one topper of that school. So there'll be 10 lakh toppers. Toppers means who are doing everything correctly, जो सब कुछ बहुत अच्छी तरह से करते हैं. भाई उनमें से वो 8,000 कौन होते हैं? वो 8,000 वो होते हैं जिनको एग्जैक्टली पता होता है कि 30 सेकेंड्स में इसका ये आंसर होगा. हम स्टोरी नहीं चाहिए वहां पर. इट्स अ T20 मैच. ओलंपियाड्स, जेई प्रिपरेशन, मेडिकल एंट्रेंस, एनी एग्जाम, मैं कह रहा हूं एनी सिचुएशन इन दिस वर्ल्ड, you should be solving it in the least possible time with understanding, without remembering it. I'm again saying not remembering. सिर्फ लॉस को समझते हैं. भाई मैंने कहा एक्सेलरेशन स्पीड का बढ़ना, रिटार्डेशन स्पीड का डिक्रीज होना, बस
But
इतना समझ.
sir,
आगे चलते हैं. आ जाओ.
but acceleration and retardation is related to the velocity.
आ रहा हूं, बता रहा हूं.
Velocity.
प्रसून, वेलोसिटी नहीं, इंक्रीज डिक्रीज तो मैग्नीट्यूड होगा. तो मैग्नीट्यूड तो वेलोसिटी का स्पीड है.
सर मैंने बोला नहीं कुछ.
है ना? अच्छा, तेरे को दिख रहा है ना, तू हैंडसम है यार. तो सुन. So, acceleration, increase in speed, retardation, decrease in speed. Now, I want 100% focus for this question. 100%. Diya, ready? अब एक बच्चा बोलता है, sir, I want to take this direction as positive and I want to take this direction as negative. ठीक है? I have projected the ball upwards. Where is acceleration due to gravity acting, by the way?
Downwards.
Downwards.
Sure है ना?
Yes.
Yes, absolutely.
ठीक है.
Yes, sir, because gravity is pulling everything
9.8 meter
downwards.
per second square. Acceleration due to gravity, you said always acts downwards. What is the downward direction you've taken?
Negative.
Negative.
Negative sign here.
No. Yes, sir.
Gayatri,
Yes.
acceleration is downwards, you said, and the direction is negative. So if
Yes.
I'm saying
Yes.
acceleration is, yeah, so it will be minus 9.8. You agree with me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minute. पूरी patience से ध्यान से देखना है. Now, when this ball is going up, is the speed increasing or decreasing?
It's decreasing.
Decreasing.
Decreasing, sir.
What is decrease in speed called?
Speed.
Retardation.
Retardation.
Is a negative sign, therefore a negative 9.8 meter per second square should be retardation. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the question. अब देखो कहानी में twist दिया. ये बॉल वापस आने लगी. This ball reached a certain height. Velocity, speed 0. अब वापस आ रही है. अब
Yes, sir. Right now it's going to be increasing. It's going to increase.
What is increase in speed called?
Acceleration.
Acceleration is negative 9.8 meter per second square. So that
Yes.
means this is acceleration also. So the right
Yes.
answer is
Both.
likho.
Both.
Likho. You have to make notes. You will make a small a notebook called Classes by SS Sir. And the tagline is, we remove misconceptions and we solve questions and we solve problems the fastest. That's the idea. So the name of these classes is Think Without Ink. Think Without Ink. That should be the motto. This is my motto of the class.
सर
हाथ नहीं लगाना, यहाँ पर पता है. आ जाओ
Sir.
वापस. हाँ बेटा.
मैं थोड़ा सा मतलब समझा नहीं कि how can it be retardation as well as acceleration?
Okay, let's start again. Let's do it again. First, let's define what is retardation. Do you agree that it is decrease of speed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if I'm throwing the ball up, is the speed decreasing or increasing?
It's decreasing.
So is it acceleration or retardation?
Retardation.
Very good. ठीक है. And what is the value of acceleration right now?
Minus 9.8 meter per second.
So a negative acceleration is retardation. Acceleration is negative, yet the body is retarding. So that means a negative 9.8 meter per second square is retardation. Now let this ball come down. Is the speed increasing or decreasing? Action.
So
Is the
it's
speed
increasing.
increasing or decreasing? Is the speed increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Increasing.
So increasing.
Is it acceleration or retardation?
Acceleration.
Value of acceleration.
Minus
9.8 meters.
9.8
Minus
meters.
9.8 meters.
Acceleration but in acceleration but in negative direction.
Oh,
आ रहा हूँ,
so the
अभी आ रहा हूँ.
direction
पहले जो मैं लिखा उसको लिखो. फिर अगला situation लेंगे. We'll flip the question.
हो गया सर.
Then we'll form a law.
Sir, sorry, sir. I joined a bit late. What are we doing?
What are we doing? We are doing physics. We are doing we started doing laws of motion, and we are doing a part of kinematics also. What's your name, gentlemen?
Ishan Sir.
Hi, Ishan. How are you? How did you get late? What happened?
Sir, actually, my iPad was taking a lot of time to charge. There was some problem with the charger.
No problem. You haven't joined very late. So we are right now. We did a question called if I write acceleration is negative 9.8 meter per second square, is it acceleration, retardation, or both? Was the question, and we found out it's both. अब एक अगली चीज देखते हैं. हो जाए?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा. अब let's do the reverse. एक काम करते हैं. Same situation लेते हैं. There is a man who's standing here. Somebody says, sir, I want to take this direction as negative and this direction as positive. मेरा मन, क्योंकि direction, तो हम जो चाहे ले सकते हैं. We can take any direction we want to. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I want the energy back.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Up. I throw the ball up.
Oh.
Where is acceleration acting?
Upward, positive.
Hello.
Negative.
Where is acceleration acting?
It's
Downward.
accelerating downwards.
Downward.
Speed is increasing but in negative direction, so it's
Downward.
negative acceleration.
Acceleration of
Acceleration.
gravity always acts downwards. Do we agree with this or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir. Acceleration due to gravity acts downwards.
Khatam.
Always.
Always. Perfect. So acceleration is acting downwards. 9.8 meter per second square. Have you taken it positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive.
Positive. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Ball goes up. The speed decreases. Acceleration retardation.
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 It is
But in
retardation.
positive direction.
Oh my God. And it is?
Positive.
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 The
And
speed
the
is
ball
negative.
comes down. And the ball comes down. The speed
Increases.
Acceleration.
is,
Accelerate.
and the value is?
Plus 9.8.
Positive.
बेटा, सवाल तो ये भी आ सकता है, ये ज्यादा कंफ्यूजिंग होगा. 9.8 meter per second square positive. Is it acceleration or retardation? The answer is both.
It's both.
अच्छा, ठीक.
ये खेल है, लिखो. So, अब काइनेमैटिक्स से थोड़ा लॉज ऑफ मोशन की तरफ चलते हैं. Laws of motion. We've understood what acceleration is. We've understood what's it all about. Okay, tell me what is the first law of motion? Fast. Jaldi
Law of
revise.
inertia.
Zeroth law of
Inertia.
motion.
Body at rest.
About inertia.
The body stays in a state of motion unless
Bodies are
external force is
lazy.
applied.
Got it.
Any
Second-
body prefers to stay in a state of motion unless external force is applied.
Okay,
In
great.
simple
Second
words,
law.
bodies are very lazy.
So, first law मेरे सारे बच्चों को आता है. Obviously, top students of PACE यार, आएगा ही आएगा. आएगा ही आएगा. You say, so let's say this law of inertia. ठीक है. अच्छा, inertia को closest किससे आप resemble करते हो? Which physical quantity you feel inertia
Mass.
resembles?
Mass.
Wow. So that means in the first law he talked about mass
Because
probably.
Inertia, mass
Then
is
mass
a
is the
measure of
indirect
inertia.
measure of inertia.
Wow. कितना प्यारा बताया. मेरे से अच्छा explain कर दिया. Wonderful. Nice. So law of inertia is to do something with mass. तो किसी ने सोचा होगा कि भारी चीज और हल्की चीज मास 50 kg एंड 1 kg फर्क होएगा एक्सेलरेशन का, वेलोसिटीज का. सोचा होगा. उससे पहले लोग गलत सोचते. He gave the second law. What's the second law, by the way?
Force
Sir,
is
the-
equal to
Force
Force
is
is
equal
equal
to
to change
delta.
of momentum
the rate
upon
of
time.
change of momentum.
Oh, very good. Force equals
The net force
Rate of
on an
change of
object
Rate of
is equal
change
to
of
the rate
momentum.
of
Is equal to
change
d
of
by
moment.
dt mv. Huh.
Rate of change
P
of
of
momentum
I
and is
hope you
in the
understand d
direction
by
of the
dt.
applied force.
Yeah, that's
Yes, sir, we
calculus.
have
Change in
understood
time.
that.
Differentiation.
Change in that.
Wonderful.
Sir, we
Stands for
find
delta
out
or
the rate
change
of
in
change
time.
of momentum with
Change of
respect to
momentum
time.
with respect to time.
Yes. This is called linear
Momentum.
momentum.
Sir, you can take out the m because it is a constant.
Yes,
यार
sir.
पता
And
क्या
then
हुआ?
you can
And
do
then you
dv by
can
dt, that is
swap it with,
acceleration.
yeah, so it's F
तो
is equal
यार
to
सुनना.
F vector is equal to mx.
अच्छा, tell me one thing.
also change, right?
Yes. Let me take you to how a rocket
Sir, the
rocket
mass
takes off.
changes in a
Rocket
rocket.
fuels on fuel.
Mass changes
Rocket
in a
fuels on
rocket.
fuel so that the mass can decrease.
So the fuel is a part of mass, right?
Yes, sir.
So as mass decreases, it gains acceleration.
Yes, sir.
That means change of mass could also lead to force.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So let's redefine it. Let's call it this way: mdv by dt if mass is constant and if velocity
Plus
is
v
constant.
dm by dt.
Sir,
I like it so much,
Sir,
my dear
it's the
friends.
product rule.
Product rule.
Yeah. Yes, this is a product rule, and that's a right definition of the Newton's second law. Please write it down.
oh,
Yes. Oh.
Sir, but mass
Yes.
is not
sir,
constant.
can I tell you something about this? So basically, there was this man, if you know, Lagrange, or I
Lagrange,
can't
yeah.
pronounce it. So
It's okay. Go ahead.
he,
Go ahead.
So he saw these after him there are points near the sun which are used to calculate and determine the sun's like heat waves and all of that. So Lagrange, he used a specific equation which a Frenchman had used. It was called the law of action, and then he related the same thing to the second law of motion. And the law of action kind of like showed how optics were used, and the second law of motion shows how force is used.
Are you
So
talking
this is
about the
the
law of action and reaction? Sorry.
no,
No,
not the
that's
third law,
separate.
not the
Okay.
third
That's
law.
separate.
I'm talking about
Third.
MVS.
Oh.
And in that way, he found out that the total action is equal to 0, and then that simple equation is like the closest theory we have come to like explaining everything we know yet,
Absolutely.
because it
Absolutely.
explained
I can't
everything from
understand the
optics
second
to
law.
the second law.
Yeah, very true. Was that Prasun?
Yeah.
No, sir, it was Rehansh, sir.
Riyansh, amazing. I mean, I'm so impressed. So, Riyansh, what we do from now on is whenever we take our topic and you guys have you have information regarding that topic, share it on the WhatsApp group. Let us all understand it. Let us all discuss it. That is how these classes are going to be conducted. They're
Problem
not
is
going to
only
be
admin
The
have the
WhatsApp group
message on
only
the
has admins only.
otherwise.
मैं करा लूंगा. I'll get it done.
Oh.
So write the second law. Force
I
is
didn't understand the second term of it.
yeah, I will. So it's called a product rule. If there are two variables, the product rule says take the first variable outside and differentiate the second variable. And then you can probably take the second variable outside and differentiate the second one. This tells you that if mass is constant and if there is a change in velocity, there is force. That means it is experiencing force. The second part says that, hello, even if the velocity is constant,
the term
and
will
there
become 0.
yeah, even if velocity is constant and mass changes with time, which actually happens at rocket propulsion and lot many things, mass could also accelerate. So this is the right definition. Now, when you get questions in Olympiads or whenever somebody asks you a question, Riyansh, you need to ask him or her, ma'am, is mass constant or is mass a variable? So if somebody says, what is Newton's second law? And you say, if force equals mass into acceleration, you also say, I'm assuming that mass is constant. Had not mass been constant, this would be the relation. It's wonderful.
So can you tell me what D is?
Sir, I have a
V.
D, sir, D.
Okay.
D is delta. It's like the smaller
Yeah,
version of
it's a
delta.
small change. So okay, I'll tell you. कोई बात नहीं. You can ask anything you want. So d by dt. Okay, let's start like this. So there is a term called delta. Delta means change. Like for example, I say velocity of a body is 1 meter per second. Then velocity became 2 meters per second. Yeah, 2 meters per second. And somebody says, what is the change in velocity? We say 2 minus 1 or 1 minus 2. That's the change in velocity. But if, and then he will ask me, how much time did it take for this change? I say it's 10 seconds. So if somebody says, what's acceleration? I'll say change in velocity is 2 minus 1 by 10. That's acceleration. But if this time reduces to microseconds, to very, very small, then it will be so difficult for me to measure that small change. Then what I'll do is, in that small change of time, I will measure the small change in V. So when the time is big, we use a term called delta. When the time is short, or when the physical quantity we are measuring is small, we use a term called D. D stands for small change in velocity with respect to a small change in time. A dt represents a small change in time.
So this relation can
And
also be
DV
used
represents
for
a
larger.
small change in
So
velocity.
this relation can also be used for larger quantities, and it helps to accurately measure the values.
Absolutely, beta. Absolutely. Then we can use a term called delta. See, we use a term called D only when it is very small. It doesn't mean that बड़ा होगा तो D use नहीं कर सकते. But D पक्का delta तब नहीं use कर सकते जब difference बहुत छोटा होगा. Measure ही नहीं कर पाएंगे. Right.
Yes, sir.
Now, great. Love to see you.
I
Third
didn't
law.
सर कल ही
understand.
सीखा था डिफरेंशिएशन
Because
परसों ही
in
सीखा था
delta you
डिफरेंशिएशन
actually need to
मैथ्स में
हाँ
measure.
सर सीखा
चिंता
था
मत
मैथ्स
करो, I'll ask the maths. आपके maths के
Sir,
sir को
I
मैं
didn't
बोलूंगा.
understand
Sir,
the change
Pankaj
in
sir,
time.
PKM
If
sir.
you're doing
sir.
calculus or lane
ठीक है
math.
चिंता मत करो, एक सेशन मैथ्स वाले सर को बोलूंगा कि तुमको थोड़ा डिफरेंशिएशन और सिखा देंगे. ओके,
सर
We are doing that
डिफरेंशिएशन थोड़ा
only.
सा ही हुआ है पूरा
सर थोड़ा सा
कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ
सीखा
है
है वो
कोई बात नहीं, थोड़ा थोड़ा से काम चल जाएगा.
तो नेक्स्ट क्लास तक हो जाएगा पूरा
There is a term called maximizing performance. I have itna sa knowledge, I can make it that big, is what you're supposed to do. Maximize your performance. Great. What is the
Sir,
third law?
I have a doubt. Sir, I
Every
have a
action
doubt.
has an
Every
equal
action has an
force
equal
has an
Every
equal and
action has an
opposite
equal
reaction
and opposite reaction.
Yaar, Ryansh, is this correct? To every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Is this statement correct?
Yes, I
यस
guess.
सर
Okay.
Yes.
These, sir, there is an addition in the definition. Sir, these action and reaction forces act on different bodies and they have the same magnitude.
Arjun Singh ने बिल्कुल सही जवाब दिया.
Sir,
Arjun,
in the
it's very important. To every action, there is an
Equal and
equal
opposite.
and opposite reaction. As in,
reaction.
like, if I'm pushing a box, then the box will apply equal force onto
तो
me.
आगे से ये क्लियरली लिखना है दो चीजें. प्लीज लिखोगे आप. टू एवरी एक्शन, ये लिखना, ये लिखो या ना लिखो छोड़ देना भाई. टू एवरी एक्शन देयर इज एन इक्वल एंड ऑपोजिट रिएक्शन. ये तो ठीक है, ये तो मालूम है. बट इसका जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, वो जो हम लोग बार बार मिस कर देते हैं, अर्जुन ने इसको क्लियरली बताया,
Opposite
इज
direction, equal
Yeah.
magnitude.
acts on and act on two different bodies. If the action is on A, then the reaction will be on body
B.
Sir,
Okay.
I can explain all three laws using the rocket propulsion thing which you said, since I'm a space enthusiast, so I'm. So basically, when a rocket is in inertia, so that like just shows ki the first law of motion is there and is being stated. Then when the rocket turns on its engines and the fuel starts combusting, then the energy release will cause a specific like a reaction to be forced on the ground. So this will cause what do you say? It will cause like an acceleration to come from inside the rocket, which will give a specific force or a force which will lift it off from the gravitational force which is pulling it down. And that is the second law. And then the third law, and every action has an equal and opposite reaction. You can see it when the rocket is rising up. It applies the same amount of force on the ground as the ground which is applying it on the rocket.
Wow, wonderful. Absolutely, absolutely, Ryansh. क्या बात है, क्या बात करी है तूने. तो अब
So I have a question to Reyansh as well as you. So does that mean third law
एक काम करेंगे. I'll just intervene here.
Yeah.
हमारी ये जो लड़ाइयाँ होंगी ना, हमारी जो डिस्कशंस होंगी, ये हम ग्रुप पे करेंगे. अभी वो डाउट्स मेरे को बताने दो जो मैं तुमसे पूछना चाहता हूं. फिर जो आपके आपस के डाउट्स है ना, उसको हम अलग से सॉल्व करेंगे. और एल्स द क्लास विल गो फ्रॉम एक सेंट्रिक हो जाएगी. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. जस्ट आफ्टर द क्लास आई एम शेयरिंग माय नंबर विद यू. ड्रॉप इन द डाउट यू हैव and add me also in your group. I'll ask the admin team to do that. I'm Sandeep Sir. That's my,
a lot of nines.
of course, a lot of nines. I don't know, but that's my chance.
Sir, I had a doubt in the second formula.
Yes, go
So
ahead.
basically, they have written M can change constantly, but then in the first part of the formula, they have written M d1 upon dt. So what value of M are we supposed to take there?
Right. Now, what happens is, if you see a question of rocket propulsion, how does a question get framed? That there is a rocket. Its mass is 2,000 tons. It has a fuel of 220 tons. And the rate at which the fuel is coming out is 200 meters per second or 200 kilometers per second. Now, the rate at which the fuel is coming out is dm by dt, my dear friend. That's dm by dt, the rate at which the fuel is coming out. Understood? Ab agla sawal. The next question.
Sir,
But
sir,
then
in the
are we
previous
supposed to take the initial value of the mass or the final value of the
beta.
mass?
Of course. There is an initial value of m. There is a change, continuously changing value of m. We will discuss the Newton's third law. Don't worry. Right now, I have a question for you.
Sir, due to
Sir, can you
Newton's
go to
third
the
law of
previous
motion, there are even number of forces in this universe.
Yeah. I know you have so much in you. We will take all of it. सब कुछ सीखूंगा तुमसे, सब कुछ बताऊंगा. पर उससे पहले मेरा क्वेश्चन 1000 रुपए के लिए आपकी स्क्रीन पर अभी आने वाला है. Are you all ready?
I have a doubt in the
Yes, sir.
previous page.
ताकत से बोलो yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So problem number 3.
Sir,
Yeah, beta.
sir, I have a doubt in the previous page. You
Bol
have
beta.
written to every action there is an equal and opposite direction.
Reaction. To every
Okay.
action, there is an equal and opposite reaction, and the action and the reaction take place on two different bodies.
Sir, I
So
think
is
there
it
was
okay if
something
I type the
there's a
answer in the
formula for
chat?
this, sir.
Huh, beta?
I think there was a formula for this.
Of course.
F12
I'm coming there
is
only.
equal to minus F1, no, minus F21, hopefully.
Tu चिंता मत कर.
So is
Okay,
it
hold your
okay if I
guns.
write the answer in the chat?
Now it's my time to give you a question, and whoever gives this answer correctly fastest gets a Paytm of ₹1,000.
Okay.
Get ready. There is a mass. I've kept it on the surface of the earth. This body has a mass, say m. There is gravity which is acting downwards. mg is the action acting on the body. Can you hear me?
Yep.
mg
Yes, sir.
is the action acting on the body. What is this? What
Normal
is this?
reaction.
Reaction.
Normal
reaction.
Normal reaction.
That is the reaction.
Normal force.
Yeah, not normal force, that normal reaction.
Hold on. Now the question.
Oh, okay.
Is N reaction to mg?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
No.
Actually, no.
No, sir. No,
no,
sir.
no,
Jay,
no.
where is Jay?
It's
Jay
not.
कहाँ गया? Jay कहाँ गया? मेरा भाई
It's
Jay.
not.
मैंने गूगल में देखा था नॉर्मल रिएक्शन इज नॉट द
मिनट,
रिएक्शन
Jay
फॉर
बैठा हुआ
it.
है.
Yes.
Yeah. Jay said no, sir. I don't think so.
I said
SP
yes.
says I want all your answers. Chat पे लिखो. I want to read all of them. मेरे को जानना है तुम सबको, और please, I'm not
The
judging you.
chat's disabled.
Hold. I am not one person who
No,
ever.
it is not, sir. It is not.
Yeah, मैं बिल्कुल नहीं
That
जज
is
करूंगा.
not,
प्लस मुझसे सच बोलना पड़ेगा. डॉक्टर को पता होना चाहिए मरीज को चाहिए क्या प्रॉब्लम, है ना? Please. So be very, very open with me.
The chat is
On the chat option, tell me, is your answer yes or no? My question is N, I'm writing the question, is N reaction to mg? You said this is
That's
action,
the answer.
and you said
Sir,
N
is the body moving? Is there any displacement in
it's
the
at
body?
rest. It's at rest.
So I
Take your
sent the
time. I
answer
want
in the
to
chat.
मुझे देखने दो chat पर. Chat option on है? Yes, it is the reaction. Abir, I want to see your answer. Abir says it's force that the table. मेरा सवाल ये नहीं अबीर, सिंपल है भाई. एक्शन रिएक्शन बनता है कि नहीं बनता है, हाँ या ना, बस इतना बोलने का है. इधर उधर का नहीं बोलने का है. डायरेक्ट आंसर मांगता है अपने को. Yes, it's not a reaction. Abir says I believe it's a different action in itself. Jay
Sir,
तू और
is
कंफ्यूज
this
कर
a
देना.
different
तू
body?
और
Sir,
कंफ्यूज कर दिया कर यार.
Sir,
एक नई
yes.
कहानी जोड़ दी.
sir,
I
तो
believe
ये
it's
बॉक्स
different.
टेबल पे रखा हुआ है ना?
रखा हुआ है.
अच्छा, so this table is also an object. So there are two objects.
Yes.
Sir, I agree.
मैं देख रहा हूं अभी भी सबके जवाब नहीं आ रहे भाई साहब. गलत बात है. No, because normal reaction. ओहो, आद्यांत, where are you?
यस
कहाँ गया, दिख क्यों नहीं रहा? वीडियो ऑन तो करेगा अध्ययन, तभी तो दिखाई देगा। चुपचाप बता रहा है आंसर धीरे धीरे।
सर सेट करना पड़ेगा कैमरा से।
तो पहले से करना था ना, आया बड़ा सेट नहीं हुआ है कि नहीं? मेरी क्लास में सब लोग अपने कैमरास ऑन रखेंगे। यार हद है यार, ये कोई बात हुई? ईशान हंस ले तू मेरे ऊपर, ये तो बच्चे ना। हाँ जी, सो मोस्ट ऑफ यू से, some say yes, some say no. Let me ask Srishti Mishra, what's your answer, Srishti?
I think yes.
I want to ask Sai. Sai, Adi.
No, because I think that the normal force is only a reaction if someone is pressing down on the object, but it's not a reaction force to gravity because it's otherwise it will be acting on the same object.
Diya. Prasoon. Reyansh, yes, Reyansh, I can see you raising your hand. Yes, go ahead.
Sir, I think the normal force, since it's an imaginary force, so I don't really think कि मतलब it will be a reaction force to mg. But mg, since it's like according to the gravitational force, so it can be counted as a real force.
Sir, is there any air pressure?
There is no air pressure. You can chill.
It's vacuum.
अच्छा एक बात बताओ।
Yes.
It's vacuum.
अगर मुझे जानना है कि यार ये एक्शन रिएक्शन है या नहीं, सृष्टि अभी तो तूने बताया था एक्शन रिएक्शन हैपेंस ऑन टू डिफरेंट बॉडीज।
Sir, yes.
If mg is the action on m, how can n be a reaction on m? How can action reaction be on the same body? Isn't that so simple? कहाँ कंफ्यूज हो रहे हो, क्या सोचने लगते हो, कहाँ चले जाते हो?
Also, but MG is the action on the table.
But MG is
MG is
on
on
the
the
table
table.
The
also.
And the
reason
N
was
is
wrong,
the
but the
action
answer was
box.
right.
N is
The
the
reason was
reaction
wrong,
on
but the
the
answer
block.
was.
Sir,
We are
मैंने
not
last year chat
exception. So जय ना तू तो वहां बैठ के ना I was right, बस एक मैसेज लिख दिया I am right. Jay, explain. Why do you think it's not action reaction?
Sir, I was asking. I am not asserting it. Sir, don't take it.
So,
sir, मैंने
हाँ,
some months back I
आद्यांत, मुझे
solved
आद्यांत दिख गया, आद्यांत दिख गया, आद्यांत का कैमरा ओपन हो गया। आद्यांत सर, आप
Yes.
बोल रहे थे सर ये एक्शन रिएक्शन नहीं है ना? आद्यांत ये एक्शन रिएक्शन हो भी नहीं सकते ना, दोनों सेम बॉडी पर कैसे लग सकते हैं? अब एक बच्चा बोलता है सर
But they're
mg
not
ना,
acting on the same body.
अच्छा टेल मी, दे आर एक्टिंग। अच्छा टेल मी, mg किस पे एक्ट कर रहा है?
MG is a
Floor
weight
पे.
Table,
but
table.
it
It's acting on the
table,
floor.
right?
MG
इस
acts on the
मास को
table.
उठा के, हेलो, इस मास को उठा के एयर में ले आया। कहां ले आया?
Air में.
एयर में। इसको उड़ा दूं?
Body to
अरे यार,
center of the earth.
ये मास है, सुनो जल्दी से सुनो मेरी बात। ये मास है, ये ग्राउंड है, ये मास m है, ये ग्रेविटी है। वेयर इज mg एक्टिंग?
On M.
On the object.
On the
On the
object.
surface.
On M towards the center of the earth.
M,
On the surface.
Not on the surface. mg is only acting on the body. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It's not acting on the body. It's acting on the
I leave
surface.
this
Yes,
pen
sir.
here. If I leave this pen here, it comes down because of gravity. If I say what is the force acting on this mass, what is the force acting on this
Gravitational
mass?
force.
MG. Gravity.
MG. Before I go forward, I'll tell you a very interesting story. So I was teaching a student, Arnav Agarwal, who was ranked 19 in the country. And this should be almost like what, 2003, 4 probably. Ranked 19. मैंने अर्नव से पूछा, अर्नव यार 19 आई थी, 1 भी आ सकती थी? कहता सर बिल्कुल आ सकती थी। मैंने कहा फिर क्या हुआ? कहता सर लास्ट के 15 मिनट्स में ब्रेन टायर्ड हो गया था। उस दिन से, from that day onwards, I made it a point that when I take a class, the last 15 minutes have to be most attentive. I want your maximum energy in the last 15 minutes. And I can see my watch. It's 15 minutes from now. Or is it 8:30?
It's
8:30.
8:30.
We have 50 minutes.
अभी बहुत टाइम है, तो बिल्कुल अटेंशन चाहिए, पूरी ताकत लगानी है। मेरा क्वेश्चन था क्या n mg का रिएक्शन है? आपने कहा सर mg m पर लग रहा है, अर्थ लगा रही है, लग m पे रहा है। नॉर्मल रिएक्शन, अब बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है, नॉर्मल रिएक्शन यहां नहीं है. What is, अच्छा, by the way, what is normal reaction? Can you
Sir,
tell me
it's
what is
the
normal reaction?
opposing
So it
force
is
to the
it is the
by
force
surface
provided
to
by
the
the
mass.
surface to
Sir,
support the mass.
And why
What
does
is
it,
the
why this,
opposite
why does
reaction?
this, एक मिनट, सरफेस बॉडी पे फोर्स क्यों लगाती है?
ताकि वो
so that
बॉडी
the
गिर
body can
मतलब
be
so that
uplifted
the
to
body
that
does not
level.
ताकि वो बॉडी मतलब
ये मेरा
बॉडी
मूव
को
हैंड
ना
ऐसा
है,
करे.
पकड़ने के लिए.
ये मेरा हैंड है, मैंने इसके ऊपर पेन रखा, ये mg मेरे पेन पे लग रहा है, पेन पे, मेरे हाथ पे क्या लग रहा है? कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स,
mg.
नॉट mg. मेरे
Oh.
हाथ पे सिर्फ इन दोनों के बीच ये पेन जो इस पे फोर्स लगा रहा है वो लग रहा है.
But sir, that force
और
will
आपका
also be
हाथ
that is in
पेन
the
पे
opposite direction.
Are you
बट
understanding?
आपका हाथ पेन पे नॉर्मल लगा रहे हैं, आई गेस.
करेक्ट. ये सिर्फ एक कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स है. क्या है ये रिवान?
कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स है. कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स है.
कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स. n is only a,
कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स
Contact force.
अगर ये
व्हिच
एक्शन
इज व्हाई
रिएक्शन
इट्स यूज्ड
होता,
फॉर फ्रिक्शन.
अगर ये एक्शन रिएक्शन होता, तो अगर यहां mg है तो n ऊपर लगाते ना हम?
Yep.
नहीं लग रहा ना,
नहीं लग रहा.
क्योंकि कांटेक्ट नहीं है. पक्का ना? मैं इस क्वेश्चन में पूछता हूं, m is mid air, mass is m, mg is the action, where is the reaction?
Sir, it is
Forget
on the
about normal
ground.
Air
reaction.
It is
resistance.
on the sir,
The
it
center
is
of
on the
earth.
earth.
Sir, air
Sir, it is
resistance.
on the
Center
earth.
of earth.
किसने बोला सेंटर ऑफ द अर्थ? किसने बोला
मैंने
सेंटर ऑफ द
बोला.
अर्थ? आदित्य, you said that?
नहीं सर,
सर
मैंने
मैंने
बोला.
अर्थ बोला.
सर मैंने
Very-
सेंटर ऑफ अर्थ बोला.
अब बता मेरे को,
सर
अगर ये
त्यागी
पेन
सर ने बोला था, मेरे को एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं पता. त्यागी सर ने हमको बोला था सेंटर ऑफ अर्थ पे होता है.
होएगा ना, होना भी
मैंने
चाहिए ना
सर
ईशान.
अर्थ पे बोला सर.
एक मिनट साइलेंस. ये बॉडी को जब मैं छोड़ रहा हूं, mg फोर्स किस पे लग रही है?
सर मेरे को
सर
याद
बॉडी
नहीं.
पे.
उन्होंने बोला
पेन पे. और लगा कौन रहा है?
अर्थ पे
अर्थ.
था.
और अर्थ कैसी शेप की होती है?
Spherical.
Almost spherical.
Sir geoid. Sir geoid. Geoid.
Almost spherical.
Yes. And where is the center of earth?
बीच में.
in the
ये
core.
mg फोर्स m पर कौन लगा रहा है?
Earth.
सेंटर ऑफ
Center of
अर्थ.
earth.
किस पर लगेगा? इसका रिएक्शन किस पर
सेंटर
लगेगा?
ऑफ अर्थ.
Center of earth पे.
और कौन लगाएगा?
Object.
Body, pen.
Pen. आपका pen.
Yes, my dear friends. That means if this is the action, if this is earth, then the reaction is here. So if this is the action, this is the reaction. Do you agree with me?
Sir,
Yes or
I
no?
had a doubt.
Yes,
Sir, so if we kept an object on ground, so there will be total 4 forces acting on it. mg, contact force, normal force as a reaction to the contact force,
Normal reaction.
and reaction force to the mg as well.
मैं बना रहा हूं जो तू बोल रहा है. mg क्या है? एक्शन. किसके ऊपर? mg के ऊपर. इसका रिएक्शन कहां है? सेंटर पर. वैल्यू कितनी होगी? mg. ये n क्या है?
नॉर्मल.
mg.
कौन लगा रहा है?
ये जो
सरफेस है जो सरफेस है वो लगा रहा है.
हाँ, सरफेस किस डायरेक्शन में लगाएगा? ऊपर नीचे?
ऊपर.
Opposite to the
क्योंकि
direction
कोई
of
सरफेस
contact
को
force.
नीचे की तरफ पुश करने की कोशिश
सर
कर रहा
अगर
है.
हम ऑब्जेक्ट को कंसीडर करें कि वो मतलब जो सरफेस है उसके ऊपर mg लगा रहा है तो वो नॉर्मल रिएक्शन आएगा -mg.
नहीं, सुन. अभी रुक जा, फिर कुछ और बोल रहा हूं. मैंने ये मास्क को रखा अपने हाथ पर, इसके ऊपर mg था. जैसे ही हाथ को टच किया, इस पेन ने इसको दबाने का कोशिश किया, तो ये इसको वापस डालने की कोशिश करेगा हैंड. व्हाट इज दैट फोर्स कॉल्ड?
नॉर्मल रिएक्शन.
नाउ माय क्वेश्चन इज, इफ दिस इज एक्शन, वेयर इज इसका रिएक्शन किधर है?
Sir, on the
इसका रिएक्शन ऑन द सरफेस mg.
एक मिनट, नॉट mg. क्या लिखूंगा मैं?
Contact force.
But sir, won't the contact force be
हाँ
equal
सर
to
क्योंकि
mg?
वो रिएक्शन इक्वल होता है तो हम एन ही लेंगे उसको.
हाँ, ये एक्शन रिएक्शन नहीं है पर इक्वल है. एन mg के बराबर है पर रिएक्शन नहीं है. और एन mg के बराबर इसलिए क्योंकि बॉडी रेस्ट पर है. बहुत सारे इफ्स एंड बट्स है, बहुत सारे इफ्स एंड बट्स है. अब एक प्रॉपर डायग्राम बना रहे हो आप. आई वांट यू टू, या आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू
Free body
proper,
diagram.
एक प्रॉपर डायग्राम दे रहा हूं. आई एम सेइंग अ बॉडी मिड एयर. आई एम टेकिंग अ सिचुएशन वेयर अ बॉडी इज मिड एयर. I am leaving this body here. This is Earth. That's the center. This mass is m. mg is a force acting on the body. if this is the action, then the reaction is from the center towards the body. This value is also mg, has to be, and this is reaction. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely clear. Now, this is case 1. Now, body placed on a surface, and this body is at rest. Right? So that's the surface. That's the body. That's mass m. That's Earth. This is mg, action. This is mg, reaction. Now, since they are in contact, since the body is in contact with this surface, the contact surface will apply a force on the mass, which is n. If this is action, this is the force which the surface exerts on the mass. So the mass will also exert a force on the surface, and that is n again, and that's the reaction. As somebody in the class said, there are no 2 forces, there are actually 4 forces. Write this down.
Sir, I have a doubt. So even the
Please go ahead.
normal force has an opposite, equal and opposite force acting to it.
Yeah, so this is action, this is reaction. This is action, and this is reaction.
So I have a question. So won't the n going down is the action, because like the
You can call it anything. अर्थ के हिसाब से देखा जाए तो ये भी एक्शन है. पेयर की बात करेंगे, एक्शन रिएक्शन. It's not important whose action, whose reaction, till the time it is defined. Suppose I say I place a mass on a surface. ठीक, मैंने ये surface को दबाया, तो मैं कहूंगा यार ये एक्शन है, ये रिएक्शन है. It all depends on the situation, but this is the pairing. This is a very important pair. तो जो बच्चे लिखते हैं, जो मिस्टेक करते हैं कि this is the action and this is the reaction, and they've also write, sir, that is why n is mg, is wrong. They're not action reaction. It is equal because the body is at rest. So this is one condition, rest everywhere. This condition will fail. Write this down.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Go ahead.
Sir,
Go ahead.
Sir, if mg is acting downwards and there is a reaction force to it, how does the normal force originate?
How does the normal force originate?
Yes, sir.
Is that your question, beta?
Yes, sir.
Let me ask you, I'll take this situation. So there is this mass which I leave it in midair. छोड़ दिया इसको मैंने. इसके ऊपर कौन कौन सा फोर्स लग रहा है?
Sir, mg.
इसके अलावा और कोई फोर्स लगेगा?
नहीं सर.
नहीं लगेगा. मैं जैसे इस बॉडी को सरफेस पे प्लेस करता हूं, ये बॉडी इसके कांटेक्ट में आती है. ये mg से फॉल कर रही थी, इसको रोका किसी ने. किसने रोका? किसी ने फोर्स ऊपर लगाया. वो फोर्स बराबर नहीं है हमेशा, वो फोर्स रिएक्शन नहीं है हमेशा, पर एक फोर्स आया बिकॉज सरफेस और मास के बीच में एक कांटेक्ट आ गया. दिस इज अ कांटेक्ट फोर्स, नॉट द रिएक्शन. Whatever I teach you today, as I said, it's going to challenge your mind for sure.
Sir.
I want you to stay challenged.
Sir,
Yeah, beta.
sir, one day I was solving the free body diagram problem.
आ रहा हूं, मैं आ रहा हूं.
I
वहीं आ
took the normal as mg, and then I put it into ChatGPT because I was getting the wrong answer, and it said that normal is not mg.
If the body is at rest, forces are equal, n could be mg. But always n will not be equal to mg because they are not action-reaction pair. Have you understood this?
Okay, sir.
आ जाओ अगले सवाल पर.
सर रुको, सर लिखना था.
बोलो.
Sir, if mg is pulling the body downwards and there is an equal force of mg pulling it upwards, then like how is the body like attracted towards the earth because of
एक
gravity?
बात बता, एक मेरे को बात बता. ये बॉडी है, ये इसको मैंने रिलीज किया, ये नीचे जब जा रहा है इसका स्पीड इंक्रीज कर रहा है, डिक्रीज कर रहा है?
इंक्रीज कर रहा है.
कौन कर रहा है?
ग्रेविटी.
कौन सी फोर्स की वजह से?
ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स.
उसकी वैल्यू कितनी है?
9.8.
mg वो लग कहाँ रही है? डाउनवर्ड्स. वो डाउनवर्ड्स लग रही है. अब ये डाउनवर्ड फोर्स लगा कौन रहा है? सेंटर ऑफ द अर्थ. लग किस पे रही है? बॉडी पर. नाउ द मोमेंट दिस बॉडी कम्स इन कॉन्टैक्ट, there is a contact force which is called a reaction force. अभी करते हैं उसके बारे में. For example, ready? Are you ready? Are you all ready? या थक गए? टायर्ड तो नहीं हो?
Yes, sir.
नहीं सर.
टायर्ड तो नहीं हो बच्चों? अब गेम ऑन है. Now in the next 15-20 minutes they're going to be a firing of questions, and my first question is from J Mains. Yup. I am going to take a question from the J Mains.
क्यों
And let
डरना
me
सर?
see
किस लिए
आप में
डरना?
से कितने बच्चे ऑलरेडी तैयार हैं. 2 kg, 4 kg. I'm applying a force of 12 newtons. And the question is, what is the force acting on 4 kg mass?
It's 12.
What is the force which is acting on the 4 kg mass?
12
Take your time. Don't give me wrong answers. From now, I'm going to take few 5, 6, 7 questions, and I will want to see your average.
It's 8 newtons.
Okay.
So 12 newtons.
Take your time. There are some students who could solve it fast. There's some
This
students who will
came
take
in
some
J
time.
means.
So 8 newton.
सर 8
Some-
न्यूटन्स.
8 newtons.
8 newton.
6 कोई बोल रहा है, 6 कोई बोल रहा है, 8 कोई बोल रहा है, 12. Wow.
Sir, 8 Newton.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 8
यस सर श्योर.
सर रुक जाओ.
Sir,
रुक गया.
8 newtons. Hai.
No,
Sir, can I tell
No,
why?
I'm not sure actually.
Sir, can I
Okay.
tell why?
That's also good
Sir, I
answer.
have
I'm
a
not
very
sure.
absurd answer for some reason.
Sir,
Might
can
but
I tell
24
why
Newton?
it is 8 Newton?
My answer is also 24.
I got 24.
Okay, guys.
Sir, this came in J mains.
Sir, can
I
I
got 8
tell?
Newton.
Sir, can I tell why it is 8 Newtons?
Yes, you can. Please go ahead.
Sir, if since they are moving together, they will have they will have a common acceleration, and
Let me
the
write it. Let me write it down. He says they are moving together.
Sir, but the common acceleration is 6, right? So it will be 24.
Yes, they're moving together. That means they are one body. They are one single body.
So
Yeah.
that's
with a
why it's
mass
12
of 6
because they're one
kg.
single body.
6 kg.
With a mass of 6
Sir, 8 net
kg.
is
The
2
force
meter per
is-
second square.
So the
Since that
acceleration
2 meter
is
per second. 2 meter
12
per
Newton
second
by
square.
6 kg equals 12 meter. Now,
Now-
sir, the force on 4 kg would be mass ma, because we are talking about the net force on 4 kg, not on the system of 2 kg and 4 kg.
so you are talking about what is the force acting on 4 kg. What is the force acting on 4 kg? Force is mass into acceleration. The mass is 4, acceleration is 2. Therefore, the force acting on 4 kg is 8 newtons. Yes or no?
Sir, ये
Yes, sir.
JEE main
Yes,
कैसे
sir.
हुआ sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes. Oh
Sir,
yeah.
अब देखो,
Yeah.
अब कोई भी बड़ा क्वेश्चन इरिडोव का प्रॉब्लम लेता हूं. I'm taking a problem from Iridov. He says the 3 bodies. Get set ready. The
Three
action starts now.
problems.
The 3 bodies. Let me take another. Let me take 1, 2, and 3. 2 kg, 4 kg, 6 kg, 12 newtons. What is the force acting on 6 kg?
6 newtons.
What is
6
the
Newton.
force?
6 Newton.
What is the
6
force
Newton.
acting on 4 kg?
4 newton.
Newton.
4 Newton, 2 Newton.
Okay, 6 for 2.
The acceleration is 1. So the mass will multiply by
Sorry,
1.
Irodo का question है.
That's 6.
Hitarth, how are you?
12 by 2 plus 4 plus 6. 1 and then 1 into 6, 1 into 4, 1 into 2.
Wow, wow. So if you have to find force on a body, what exactly do you need? Its mass and its
Acceleration.
period. Period. That means
6 or
if I
4,
want to
right?
know, yeah, tell me if I wish to know what is the net force acting on 6 kg. Net force. क्या लिखोगे?
6 newtons.
6.
Mass is
Newton.
6, sir. And
So 6
acceleration
Newtons and
is
4 Newtons.
yes or no?
Acceleration 1.
Yes.
1 meter per second.
Yes, sir.
6 newtons. Hello. Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
What is the net force acting on 4 kg?
4 Newton.
4 Newton.
4
2
Newtons.
newtons.
So 4 into
On
1.
4 kg, you said its mass is 4, acceleration is 1. ठीक? पक्का ना?
Yes, sir.
I'm changing the question. I'm changing the question. What is the force? What is the force which 2 kg is exerting?
10
Wow,
newtons.
man. On
Sir, 2 newtons. Sir, 2 newtons.
on 4 kg.
Oh, 10 newtons.
Yep. Go slow. I'm asking what is the force which 2 kg
Sir, 10
is
Newton.
exerting
10.
on
10 Newtons. 10 Newtons.
16.
सोच के बोलने का है.
Just 10.
10.
What is the force? My question is, what is the force which 2 kg is exerting on 4 kg?
10 Newtons.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
chain
Let's
प्लस
see.
जाता है फोर्स हमेशा.
So 3 Newton.
अच्छा, पहले बताओगे मुझको?
16 है क्या?
So it's 2 Newtons.
14
Yeah,
newtons.
tell me one thing. When I say what is the force which 2 kg is exerting on 4 kg? 2 on 4. What is the direction of that force?
तो जितना भी force 2 kg
Direction of that force is in the right,
that's
left to
subtracted
right
by the
direction.
total amount of
ऐसे
force.
ना?
Yes.
यही निकालना है ना हमको?
हाँ. Yes,
है
sir.
ना?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
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 the amount of
if it exerts F Newton force on 4 kg, then
तो वो
4
F
kg would
कितना
also
होगा?
exert 4 Newton, some,
F की
also,
वैल्यू चाहिए.
हाँ.
See,
sir,
there-
can I tell, sir, can I
Sir
tell?
is
पहले मैं एक चीज कंप्लीट करूं. मैंने
Sir,
बोला
10 Newton.
हाँ, जब मैंने बोला व्हाट इज द फोर्स ऑन 4 kg, आपने ठक से बता दिया. सर, आप जब फोर्स की बात कर रहे हो, आप फोर्स की बात कर रहे हो 4 kg पर, तो जितना उसका मास है या और फोर्स ऑन 6 kg, जितना उसका मास है उसका एक्सेलरेशन है, मल्टीप्लाई करो. Now, here I'm asking what is the force which 2 kg block is exerting on 4
Sir,
kg?
can I tell?
So 2
Yes.
10 Newton.
Sir, if 2 kg, the 2 kg block exerts a force of F on the 4 kg block, then the 4 kg block should also exert a force of F on the block.
आगे बोल.
Sir, तो according to that
ये छोटू सा
logic,
जो मास है, ये छोटू सा मास है, इसके ऊपर एक 12 लग रहा है. एक
और
F
दूसरे
लग
साइड
रहा है.
से
whatever amount of
So, sir,
force is
12
being
sir,
applied on
because
the
let me complete. 12
whatever.
minus
12
F.
वही तो.
equals
So
2 into
whatever
1.
the amount of force is being applied on the 2 kilo object, that amount of force when the total amount of force when subtracted by that amount is the force applied by that
Sir, can you explain
body
once
on the
again?
next one.
Have you
Sir, will you please explain once again?
इसमें भी चेक की बड़ी तो
ये देखो,
Sir, can you please explain once again?
1 kg में कितना लगेगा? 1 न्यूटन लगेगा.
let me see. Hitarth
तो भी अगर
will
हमें
explain this
इसको
answer.
segregate करना है तो 6 kg के लिए 6 न्यूटन लगेगा, 4 kg के लिए 4 न्यूटन लगेगा, 2 न्यूटन लगेगा.
Yes. So there are so many. There are.
इसमें 2 ब्लॉक है.
Yeah.
तो इसमें
Can you explain once again, please?
Sarthak,
4 kg के लिए 8 लगा, 2 kg के लिए 4 लगा.
So let me see. Hitarth,
Sarthak.
can you explain this question, beta?
Certainly.
I asked what is the force which 2 kg exerts on 4 kg. How will you explain that?
Sir, basically we will take the force, then we will find out the acceleration, which is 6 meter per second square.
नहीं,
That
आप ये बोलोगे सर अगर मुझको फोर्स निकालनी है 2 kg पर, यानी कि जो 2 kg 4 kg पे लगा रहा है, जितनी फोर्स इधर लगेगी उतनी फोर्स इधर लगेगी ना.
yes, sir.
So the net force on this is 12 minus F, which will be equal to its mass into acceleration. Acha, tell me, what is the force which 4 kg is exerting on 6 kg?
6 Newtons.
6 Newtons.
It's easy. Why?
There is a very intuitive way to do this as well, I think, because देखो, if you see, force is nowhere else to go. So 2 exerting on 4, आप total minus 2 पे जो लग रहा है वो भी कर दोगे, तो ये force और किधर तो जा नहीं रहा है, तो उधर ही जाएगा.
Absolutely.
So that logic is
Absolutely. That's a beauty of these sessions, is that you have so many ways to solve it. Next question on your screen. Are you
So can
ready
you
for
please
it?
explain the previous question once
Yes,
again?
sir, we're ready.
Answer.
This question again. We wanted to calculate force on 4 kg. अब एक अगला क्वेश्चन लेंगे यार, उसमें करेंगे एक्सप्लेन. आइए. 2 kg.
So what was the correct answer?
10 newtons. दोबारा लिख लेते हैं.
Oh, thanks, sir. I understood.
You understood, right?
Yes,
Have you
sir.
understood that?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood this question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अगला
Yes,
सवाल
Previous, sir.
आपकी स्क्रीन पर देवी और सज्जनों. Tell me, define acceleration is equal to force upon mass, is it right?
Yes.
Yes.
No, sir.
Yes.
What?
No, sir.
कुछ तो
Net
गड़बड़.
force
Not
upon
at all,
mass.
sir.
Net force
कोई
upon mass.
बोलता है नहीं सर, ये
हाँ.
नेट फोर्स अपॉन मास है. ऐसा ना?
Sir,
Yes,
Sir, but
sir.
net force is also force only.
no,
Net
but force is force
No.
applied on a body. Net
Force
force
is
is
relative.
total
Net
force
force is
applied on
also
all
the same,
bodies
but
It depends
collectively.
on
the quantity, the
किसी
dimension is
सिस्टम
or
ऑफ
if it's
बॉडीज
one
पर
body.
इजी
अगर सर
कर दो.
किसी
बोलो
सर
इजी
मैं
कर दो.
बताऊं सर
पहले
मैं
बोलो
बताऊं
सर
एक
इजी
चीज
करो. पहले बोलो सर इजी करो.
इजी करो
नहीं
Easy.
सर हार्ड
Hard
करो.
करो.
लिखो. अनबैलेंस्ड फोर्स.
हाँ.
यप, अपॉन मास. अब आ जाओ. The unbalanced force. For example,
ओ हाँ हम ग्रेविटी तो of course.
I'm applying 10 newtons here. I'm applying 6 newtons here. What is the unbalanced force?
4 Newtons.
4 Newtons.
4 Newtons
No,
towards
sir,
the right.
because
Yeah,
बाकी
so
का
this will be
Towards the
4.
right.
By whatever the mass is, say 1 kg, it will be 4 meter per second square. So this is, I would say, acceleration. ये best है. Unbalanced force on the mass upon the mass is the acceleration of that body.
Yes.
ठीक है ना?
So, sir,
और सर
basically
इसका
what you're
लॉजिक
trying to
भी
say is
है
that to
क्योंकि
take
सर
the
अगर किसी सिस्टम पर हम बहुत ज्यादा मतलब एक कुछ फोर्स लगाएंगे तो वो
हाँ.
फोर्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता रहेगा हर एक बॉडी पे.
हाँ.
तो
मेरे
इसलिए
हाँ, उस बॉडी का एक्सेलरेशन निकालने के लिए उस बॉडी पर अनबैलेंस फोर्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, लेट्स सी. अगला सवाल दे दूं आपको?
हाँ सर.
Sir, I had a question.
बोलो बोलो.
So, sir, can we go back to the previous slide?
Yep, I'm going. Yep.
So, sir, net force net force also mean
10 minus
the
6.
initial velocity, the difference between initial velocity, average.
Listen. Okay, listen. So when you deal with acceleration, you deal with acceleration from two sides. One is through forces, the other is through velocity. When you're dealing with forces, माइंड को बिल्कुल वेलोसिटी से हटा के सिंपल एक्सेलरेशन और फोर्स के रिलेशन पर आ जाओ. Now, what is that relation? That is that relation net force upon mass. What do you exactly mean by net? Net का क्या मतलब होता है? 10 minus 6 is net.
The summation.
Total.
दोनों
सर जो
फोर्सेस को
टोटल फोर्स लग रहा है जो कि इफेक्टिव फोर्स.
सी टोटल में ना फिर कंफ्यूजन सी है. टोटल की जगह हम बोले अनबैलेंस्ड कितना है. 10 इधर लग रहा था, 6 इधर लग रहा है. अनबैलेंस्ड 4 है, 4 अपॉन मास. 10 इधर लग रहा है, 6 इधर लग रहा है. टोटल अनबैलेंस्ड फोर्स कितनी है? अरे ये तो
16 upon mass.
जा रहा है. 16 अपॉन मास. इजी यार, इजी. Net unbalanced force upon mass is the acceleration of the body.
All right.
Ab, you guys have been studying for 1.5 hours non-stop, and you're in class 8th and 9th.
सर 7th.
7th also. That's so amazing. 7th and 8th actually. Some of you are in 7th.
सर नहीं मतलब बहुत
Well,
मैं और कुछ और बच्चे होंगे 7th के.
यार बड़ी बात है यार. I mean, the way you're answering, the way you're interacting, and forget about answering, the way you seem to be so excited about learning. It's going to be phenomenal. Parag Agarwal happened 27 years back in PACE, who became the CEO of Twitter. That was 27 years back. Then there have been so many students. अब 27 साल से बच्चों को पढ़ा रहे हैं. वो बच्चे there are a lot of students. There are most of them. Somebody's at Stanford, some at everywhere. पेस के सारे बच्चे, जितने बच्चे पेस में आते हैं वो लाइफ में कामयाब होते हैं और खुश होते हैं. Two things. Children at pace are happy people, happy students, and successful. And the track record of 27 years shows that. Because you're happy, that is why you're successful. Because happiness is key to success. यही बोलते हैं ना पेरेंट्स, बेटा खुश रहोगे तो कामयाबी मिलेगी. खुशी कब मिलती है? जब कोई चैलेंजिंग टास्क को हम अचीव करते हैं. You beat India beats Bangladesh doesn't give you that kick.
No.
India defeats Australia in India doesn't give you that kick. You defeat Australia at Melbourne, that is the kick. That gives you that kick. Why? Because the challenge is stiffer. Now, there are people who decide to take this challenge head on, and there are people who are scared of this challenge. But that does not mean that they would not take a challenge later. अब जिस एज ग्रुप में हो भी, छोटे छोटे प्यारे प्यारे बच्चे हो यार, है ना? अभी मतलब खेलना भी जरूरी है, पेरेंट्स के साथ बात करना भी जरूरी है, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. It's very important. They have answers to all the questions, by the way. And getting into IIT or medical entrance exam or making a 100 billion company is not satisfying. I would suggest that if my father had $100 million and I would be using it, I won't have that kick because I'm using his money. I would want to make my money. और वो सारे के सारे बच्चे, अगर इस टाइम आप वही लोग बैठे हो जिनको लाइफ में अपने आप कुछ अचीव करना है. और ये रास्ता आसान नहीं है बच्चों. Priyansh, it's not an easy way. Challenges can never be easy. As I said, if you have to beat Australia in Australia, you will have to do your best. बस मैं आपसे एक बात बोलना चाहता हूं आज, एक ही बात. ये खुशी खत्म मत होने देना. ये अंदर का हैप्पीनेस को जाने मत देना. बहुत आसान है एक मैसेज करके एक डाउट को पूछ लेना. Ask your doubt. Give your feedback. This is how we can improve. Sir, this is how you can, if I also improve, it will be good for us. What I have done is immaterial. What I make you do is most important. And somebody said, what makes a person successful? Let's see that. Tell me, what do you think is one quality which you feel is the most important quality for any successful venture?
Hard work.
Consistent.
Ambition.
Hard work.
Perseverance.
Discipline. Discipline.
Ambition.
Consistency.
Dreaming.
Okay, carry on. I would want
Hard work,
Perseverance.
Discipline.
sir,
Motivation.
confidence,
Dedication.
The dream.
Consistency.
Eagerness.
Determination.
Tell me one
The
thing.
passion.
Interest.
Sir,
Interest.
dreaming.
Willpower.
So the determination to always stay happy.
Sir, failure. Because failure
Process.
Sir, dreaming.
Interest.
Desire.
Sir, I believe it's loving
एक बार
what you
बताऊं,
do.
there are a lot of people who tell me, sir, it's motivation. It is more external motivation. It is internal motivation. When I see in the Indian Army or the Indian Air Force,
Discipline.
there is only one thing they have. They are not motivated. They're disciplined. If there is no war, they would still practice every day. They will practice for war, which would probably never come in their lifetime. अगले 20 साल तक वॉर नहीं होनी, लेकिन वो वही वॉर ड्रिल कर रहे हैं, वही एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं, डिसिप्लिन्ड है. डिसिप्लिन का एडवांटेज पता क्या है? कई बार डिसिप्लिन हमको डिजायर्ड रिजल्ट्स नहीं देता, तो मोटिवेशन डाउन हो जाएगा, बट डिसिप्लिन दोबारा लेके वापस आपको उसी पॉइंट पर फिर लेके आएगा. कोई बात नहीं, कल हो जाएगा, परसों हो जाएगा, क्योंकि मुझे अच्छा लगता है ये करना, मेरा मन करता है ये करने का. मुझे जाना है उन लोगों के बीच में जो लोग इस पूरी दुनिया को डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं. Everything has changed. I mean, you're in 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. 4 years in school, 4 years in college. यार तुमको लगता है 8-9 years के बाद this world is going to remain the same?
No.
sir, not.
You surely know it is not going to. I mean, 4 years, 4 साल पहले अगर मैं ये सेशन ले रहा होता तो मैं बोलता you can become an engineer, you can become a doctor, you can do humanities, you can do commerce. I stopped saying that now. Because everything or anything you do has to only coincide with two things. STEM. आप जो 8th में बच्चे हो ना या 7th में और 9th में, द आइडिया इज नॉट IIT मेडिकल, वो कर लेंगे, हो जाएगा। अभी हमको क्या करना है अगले 3-4 साल? We need to understand science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. I want to stop calling them foundation batches. No, they're STEM batches. STEM. This is what we will be focusing on. We will give you challenges. ये क्लासेस आपको खुश करने के लिए नहीं है, ये क्लासेस आपको कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकालने के लिए है। और ये जो चैलेंज आपको हम करेंगे एवरी क्लास के अंदर, वील गिव दैट चैलेंज, इज नॉट टू पोक यू, इज नॉट टू प्रोवोक यू, इज नॉट टू बॉदर यू, इज नॉट टू डिस्टर्ब योर मेंटल पीस, is to change this neural network you have. Because doctors tell me this is the best stage where, this is the best time where your neural networks can be redesigned. And this, all of this, physics, chemistry, maths, anything we do, talk we do, motivation we do, meet, जो मिलेंगे करेंगे, एक ही ऑब्जेक्टिव होगा, आपके उस न्यूरल नेटवर्क को ऑल्टर करना। किस लिए? जिससे कि आपको खुशी मिले, बट खुशी फ्रॉम द राइट रीजंस, खुशी फ्रॉम एक्सेप्टिंग ए चैलेंज एंड अचीविंग इट। यू माइट नॉट अचीव इट। आज की क्लास में देयर विल बी सम स्टूडेंट्स जिनको 10% समझ में आया, किसी को 20, किसी को 80, किसी को 90, पर हम सब इसको 100 कर सकते हैं अगर हम इसको कल दोबारा करेंगे, हम परसों दोबारा करेंगे, हो जाएगा। मैंने सारी लाइफ यार 27 साल सारे स्टड्स को पढ़ाया। क्योंकि वो सब स्टड्स क्यों थे? वो सारे स्टड्स इसलिए थे क्योंकि वो मुझसे पढ़ते थे, क्योंकि वो पढ़ने डेली आते थे, उनको मजा आता था पढ़ने में। I never told them to get into IIT or become a doctor and engineer. They eventually became one. I said, do you enjoy studies? क्या सर मजा आ रहा है सर? और सवाल कराओ, पंगे आ रहे हैं, पंगे लो, चैलेंज करो हमको, challenge my intellect. And that is exactly what we are going to do. And I'm so happy to see all of you there, sitting, watching, trying to understand. Wow. Astronaut, why not Raj? भाई, it's going to be, it's the only science, ये सब चीजें हम सब कर सकते हैं, हमें करना है। Okay, are you ready? बीच में मेरे अंदर का टीचर की जगह अंदर का फादर या वो आ जाता है। I see you as my own children and I want you to be successful in life. Yes, इसरो के अंदर जो अगला जाएगा ऊपर स्पेस के अंदर, वो हमारा ही कोई स्टूडेंट बनाएगा। Can you believe it? Students at PACE got into IIT, then became a pilot. खुशी मिल रही है उसको। हमारे पास कुछ स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो डायरेक्टर बन गए मूवी के। क्या फर्क पड़ता है यार? लॉजिक समझ में आ गई ना, दुनिया कैसे चलती है, ये जो हम सवाल कर रहे हैं, दे आर नॉट क्वेश्चंस, दे आर वे टू अप्रोच प्रॉब्लम्स इन लाइफ। सो वेलकम, आई ब्रिंग यू बैक, आई एम सो हैप्पी टू सी यू। अब हमारे आखिरी के 15 मिनट है भाई, और मुझे वो फिर याद आ रहा है।
45 minutes sir.
नहीं,
Why do you think we joined at 6:30? It's not an extension.
We will have
sir, I can try.
We will have a lot of extensions. It's a beautiful.
Sir, I can't
just
come
enjoyed it.
actually at 6:30.
अच्छा सर, I thought कि 7 o'clock क्लास शुरू होता है।
शर्म कर।
अरे
इसको
ग्रुप
ये
है ऐसे
पता।
6:30।
सर एक्सटेंड करो, कल भी हम लोग ने से 10 बजे तक फिजिक्स क्लास एक्सटेंड करवाया था।
Right. Are you ready for the challenge?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
जेई के अंदर एक क्वेश्चन आया, जेई मेंस। So you've heard of pulley, right? Haven't you?
Yes.
We have.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That's why this much are wells.
Yeah. So this is like what, 2 kg? And there is this mass hanging, which is like full 4 kg. 30 seconds, 30 से ऊपर नहीं, वॉच में घड़ी में देख के 30 seconds, इसका एक्सेलरेशन बताओ।
So
गलत
is
मत
it
बोलना।
20 meter per second square?
Okay, let's see. अपने चैट में डाल दो।
Sir, rope is massless and inextensible.
Absolutely, it's
So it's
frictionless.
friction.
Sir, 20
It's
meter per second.
frictionless. It's
Friction.
massless.
Okay.
Sir, 20 meter per
Sir, 20
second.
meter per
20. 20.
Okay.
20 meter per second square.
अच्छा यार तुमने
20
किया
meter per
कैसे? प्लीज
second
बता
square.
दो. वो बता दो कैसे किया. How did you do it?
So can
Sir,
I
is it
explain?
40 by 6 meter
So
per
it's
second?
20.
So can I explain?
Yes, please go ahead. Wow.
So the 4 kg block is like hanging, so the gravity is pulling it. So force would be 40
But
newtons.
यार gravity तो यार इसको भी pull कर रही है.
Yeah, but we're considering the 4
But
kg
why
block
are we
because
only considering this gravity? That's my question.
because the pulley is attached to it. So when the 4 kg block goes down, even the 2 kg block will slide.
Sir, the surface on which the 2
Sir,
kg block
normal
is
reaction is
providing a
balancing
normal
it.
normal
reaction.
reaction force. Normal reaction.
आदित्य ने बिल्कुल ठीक बात करी है.
Sir,
आदित्य
this is
भैया
40
आप
by
बिल्कुल
6.
फिट बात करते हो. आदित्य भैया ने कहा सर आपने बताया था अनबैलेंस्ड फोर्स. क्या बताया था?
Unbalanced force.
अब एक काम करते हैं, इसके ऊपर सारी की सारी फोर्सेस मेंशन कर देते हैं. स्टार्ट हो जाओ. ये 40 ठीक बनाई है मैंने.
हाँ सर.
अब क्या
Yes,
बनाओ?
sir.
Sir, 40 by 6 answer
एक मिनट.
acceleration.
और क्या बनाओ? फोर्सेस बताओ. क्या
Reaction
बनाओ?
force. Reaction force.
Reaction.
ऊपर की तरफ.
अच्छा ओके.
The tension
ओके.
40
Normal,
newtons.
force, normal force.
नॉर्मल रिएक्शन. टेंशन दिखा दो.
Tension, हाँ.
40
There is no
newtons.
need for
यहाँ पर भी
tension.
टेंशन होगी.
Yes, sir.
Yes, throughout the
यहाँ
rope
पर
there
भी
will be
टेंशन
tension.
होगी.
Yes,
नीचे की
यहाँ
तरफ
पर भी
contact
टेंशन
force.
होगी.
Yes.
there will be
यहाँ
tension
टेंशन
throughout
क्यों
the
है? एक एक सवाल का जवाब दोगे. यहाँ टेंशन क्यों है?
Away
क्योंकि
from
वो
the body.
rope से attached
बॉडी
है.
पुल कर रहा है सर.
Sir, because of the string.
Rope pull कर रहा है.
ये
Because
एक
of 2
मिनट.
kg mass.
दो
4
रीजन है.
kg.
टेंशन इसलिए क्योंकि थ्रेड है, और सर टेंशन इसलिए है क्योंकि ये मूव कर रहा है, और इसको मूव कराने के लिए क्योंकि एन और एमजी
सर 4
बैलेंस कर
kg
रहे हैं.
इसको पुल डाउन कर रहा है एंड 2 kg एक रिएक्शन फोर्स एक्सर्ट कर रहा है.
Yes, this gets balanced by this. I need the unbalanced force, and if I see this mass, there is only one. There should be a force. I'm saying
40
there
Newton.
should be a force, and that force is the force of tension. अच्छा एक बात बताओ, ये क्यों है? Why is this tension here? Direction. I'm
सर
talking
वो
about direction.
नॉर्मल हो
Action
गया.
reaction है.
हमेशा टेंशन acts
Action
away from the
reaction
Sir,
sir.
body.
because of Newton's third
इशारा
law
तो
of
ऊपर
motion
ही
की
होगा.
वजह
फिर
से
opposite
every
reaction
action is
होगा.
equal
So
opposite
tension
reaction.
always acts away from the body.
पहले ये बताओ ये टेंशन ऊपर क्यों लग रही है? प्लीज बता दो.
The action
Action
So
reaction
tension
because the
always
earth is
acts
pulling
away
the
from the
block, so
body.
the
अगर ये
because
एक्शन
string
रिएक्शन
tends
है,
to maintain.
अगर ये एक्शन रिएक्शन है तो सेम बॉडी पे
सर
कैसे
मैं
लग सकती
बताऊं
है?
सर ताकि रोप टूटे ना. सर
The
ताकि
string
रोप
tends to
टूटे ना,
maintain
क्योंकि
its state.
सर मैं
नीचे लगेगा तो
ताकि
rope.
हम सब आदित्य भैया की बात सुनने वाले हैं. आदित्य भैया
सर ताकि वो रोप टूटे ना, 40 न्यूटन उसको नीचे खींचेगा और टेंशन उसको टॉट रखेगा तो वो ना टूट जाएगी.
आदित्य पता क्या कह रहा है? सर ये जो रोप है ना, इसमें इलास्टिसिटी है. इसमें इलास्टिसिटी है. आप जैसे इस मास को हैंग करोगे सर, ये रोप का ये वाला एंड नीचे की तरफ खींचेगा. अगर ये खींचेगा तो ये लेंथ इंक्रीज करने की कोशिश करेगा, लेकिन लेंथ तो इंक्रीज हो नहीं सकती बिकॉज दिस इज इनएक्सटेंसिबल. तो इसको लेंथ को कम कौन करेगा?
टेंशन.
So tension is basically a restoring force. Hello, write it down. हम प्लीज एक बात समझना, मैं आपको वो वर्ड्स नहीं बताऊंगा जो बुक में, मैं वो आपको वो बताऊंगा जो कॉमनली यूज होते हैं. कॉमनली यूज. अंडरस्टूड? मजा आ रहा है बच्चों?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Can you repeat the explanation for tension?
I will do that. I'm saying, just imagine there is this rope and it's an elastic rope. ठीक? अभी तुम इसको एंड को नीचे की तरफ पुश करोगे, पुल करोगे, तो ये रोप क्या करेगी? ये
सर इवेंचुअली इट विल ब्रेक. खींच के टूट जाएगी सर.
तो क्या करेगी? वापस आने की कोशिश करेगी ना.
यस सर. बट इन केस देयर इज नो ऑफ टेंशन,
तो टेंशन का डायरेक्शन क्या होगा? ऊपर की तरफ ना.
यस सर, ऑपोजिट.
समझ? ये रोप है, ये ऐसे ले लेते हैं. दिस इज अ फिक्स्ड एंड, दिस इज अ रोप, दिस इज द मास. ध्यान से देखना. Say this is 4 kg. What is the force acting on this mass? 40 newtons. Do you agree? हाँ जी बोलो, हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
हाँ
तो ये
सर
फोर्स इस मास को, ये जो फोर्स है ये इस मास पे लग के इसको नीचे खींचेगी,
Yes, sir.
यस
खींचना
सर
चाहेगी, इसके साथ एक रोप कनेक्टेड है, तो रोप को भी नीचे आना पड़ेगा,
Yes, sir.
आना पड़ेगा ना, मास के साथ कनेक्टेड है, तो अगर ये मास नीचे आएगा तो ये रोप भी नीचे आना चाहेगी, बट
यस
क्योंकि ये मास रेस्ट पर है तो ये 40 न्यूटन्स को कोई ना कोई बैलेंस करने के लिए ऊपर फोर्स लगेगा, एंड दैट फोर्स इज टेंशन।
Okay.
सर लेकिन सर ऑब्वियस ही है ना, टेंशन हमेशा रहता है when the
टेंशन
object
हमेशा
is
रहता है,
placed.
टेंशन लाइफ, हम ना तेरी टेंशन लाइफ की बात नहीं कर रहे, हम टेंशन तेरी थ्रेड की बात कर रहे हैं। तू ना हमको ये मत बता, टेंशन तो होता ही है, एक ये जय जय हमारा जो है, इसने इतनी सारी अंगड़ाइयां ले ली है वहां बैठ के, चेयर पे बैठ के ये मजे ले रहा है, ये संदीप सर खड़े होके पढ़ा रहे हैं, बड़ा ही बहुत ही बुरी बात है। नेक्स्ट टाइम जैम कमिंग टू योर हाउस फॉर अ कप ऑफ कॉफी, गेट रेडी विद दैट।
okay, sure.
सैंडविचेस ऑल्सो। प्रसून तो कह रहे सर अभी आ जाओ, मैं तो अंधेरी रहता हूँ, आप भी अंधेरी हो।
और मेरा दिमाग मेल्ट हो जा रहा है, मेरा तबीयत खराब है और अभी हेडेक हो रहा है। मैं
सर एक
समझ
काम
नहीं।
करो, आप मेरे स्कूल आ जाओ।
प्रसून क्या हुआ, हेल्थ को क्या हुआ?
नहीं नहीं, मेरा मेरा तबीयत अभी खराब है। आई हैव
Sir,
100%.
he lives in Powai and he comes to Andheri to study so that he can study with the rest of us.
वाओ प्रसून, सो योर हेल्थ इज नॉट गुड।
यस,
क्या कर रहा है?
अभी मैं बैठा हूँ। अभी मेरे गर्म और ठंडा दोनों एक साथ लग रहा है, एंड आई कांट डिस्क्राइब व्हाट आई एम फीलिंग।
You'll be fine, Prasoon.
यस
But this is happening with a lot of us, and you will be fine soon. यार गर्म पानी पीता जा,
हाँ,
कॉफी पी, चाय पी, गर्म पानी पी, ड्रिंक लॉट ऑफ वार्म वाटर
थैंक यू
एंड मीट अ डॉक्टर प्लीज। तुम ना बच्चे ना बहुत टाइम वेस्ट करते हो, फटाफट डॉक्टर को बिठाओ, ठीक करके आ जाओ।
सर, पर पढ़ाई करने के लिए समय नहीं मिलता है फिर।
वाह अरे हेल्थ है
हेल्थ भाई।
जय
अगर
भैया,
health
देख रहे हो
अगर
बच्चों
एक
को?
बार बिगड़ गया तो भी फिर पढ़ाई मिलने का
हेल्थ
कभी
के पहले
वापस नहीं
वेल्थ
आएगा।
हाँ, तो
आता
अगर
है।
हेल्थ खराब रहेगा तो पढ़ाई भी खराब ही हो जाएगी।
हेल्थ के पहले वेल्थ आता है, और वेल्थ मिलने के लिए पढ़ाई करना है। पढ़ाई से
अबे
मिलेगा।
क्या दिमाग
You
लगा
should
है
align
यार,
to study.
पढ़ाई करके
सेंस
जॉब।
बहुत
देखो,
है।
अगर
आप
हेल्थ
एक
खराब
क्रिएटिव
हुई
है
तो पढ़ाई
प्रसून
खराब
मेरे,
हुई, पढ़ाई खराब
लिटिल
हुई तो
टेढ़ा
पढ़ाई
लॉजिक।
खराब।
ओ वी हैव परमीत सिंह सर, जिंदाबाद परमीत सर। ओ तुसी किथे रह गए थे पाजी, इतनी
अरे
देर से
बाप रे
दिखे हो,
क्या हो गया?
आप लोग अभी तक छुपे हुए थे,
कैमरा
कहाँ
ऑफ
थे
था,
आप?
मैंने बस अभी ऑन किया।
सर, पर ये पैसे के
बड़ी
लालच के
खुशी
पीछे
की
नहीं
बात
है
है,
सर।
जब क्लास खत्म होने वाली हुई ना, तूने ऑन करके सबको बता दिया कि मैं प्रेजेंट था, और मैं तेरे को बताऊं, और पहले से क्यों नहीं ऑन किया, पहले से ऑन करना चाहिए
बहुत
था।
पैसे आए हुए थे, कल दिखा हुआ था
पता
प्रवीण
नहीं लगा
त्यागी
मेरा ऑफ
आईफोन।
था।
देख रहा है तू, ग्रेट।
सर सर वो जब ज्वाइन किए थे तब आया था प्रवीण त्यागी आईफोन ज्वाइन।
यस, सो व्हाट इज टेंशन, बस अब फाइनल डिस्कशन करेंगे। आई एम ऑल्सो टायर्ड नाउ, यू मस्ट ऑल्सो बी टायर्ड, और प्रसून की तो तबीयत बहुत खराब हो रही है। इफ आई वर टू आस्क यू what is force of gravity, what your answer would be?
The force
How do you define mg? What would you say mg
The
as?
force applied by the earth on any object.
From the center of the earth, ये बोलना पड़ेगा।
The center of
Force,
Sir, it
from
is
the
the
center of the
force
earth only.
applied by.
Maximum
By
attraction
the earth,
between
by
two
any
Sir, I
objects.
have
okay,
a better definition.
wow, go ahead.
Sir, it is the force between two objects because of this masses that they apply on each other, which is equal.
Yeah, so mg is a force which is acting on the body applied by the
Sir.
center of the earth. What is normal reaction? जल्दी से बताओ, what is normal reaction?
Normal reaction is, sir,
Equal and
The
opposite
reaction
reaction.
Equal and
force with
opposite
the
normal
which
reaction
with
to
the contact
normal
It
force
force.
is
with
the
the
equal and
Normal
opposite
second object
reaction
applied
which
on the
is
first
provided by
object.
the surface to
So, and
balance
the
out the
normal
force.
reaction is an imaginary force, right?
Yeah, it's a
Okay.
contact force. If you don't have contact, there is no force.
Yes.
Okay, third,
It's not
what
an
is
imaginary force, right?
it is not an imaginary, it's an internal force. It is better to say it's an internal force.
So,
Right?
and
Okay. What is tension then? Tension. Define tension.
It's a
The tension is the force
Restoring
providing the
force.
stay.
Restoring
It is
force.
a restoring the staying which
Restoring elastic force. You agree with me?
Yeah.
yes, sir.
And
Restoring
what is
elastic force
frictional
that
force?
prevents
What
it
is frictional
from
force?
external.
Frictional force is the force opposing direction of motion.
It's the force of the normal force multiplied by
Opposing direction of
the
motion.
coefficient of the body.
Wow. Wow. Great. So I'm going to meet you next time very soon. And I
Sir,
hope you.
actually, I have a doubt in that normal reaction part. Sir, if a body is in free fall and so फिर sir, and Earth is also applying a force mg and mg is also being applied by the object on the object. So sir, why doesn't the object stay at rest? Because both forces should cancel each other, right?
और डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट पे है
Different objects.
और क्लियर कर देता हूं, अनबैलेंस्ड फोर्स ऑन अ मास, मास पर, इस मास
आपने
पर
डबल ए लिखा
देख ले, ये ना मेरे को पकड़ता ही रहता सारे दिन, इसका तो
मैं
ये
एक ही बार
अब
एक
सुन,
ही बार पकड़ा
mg जो है is the force acting on the body. Hello, acceleration is the net force upon mass, so the acceleration is gravity. Similarly, this force mg is also acting on this earth, but भैया ये जो force mg लग रही है, इसका mass इतना बड़ा है, this is so big that denominator is so big that the whole value reduces very small, and that is why you can't see earth getting attracted to the mass. It's because of the size of the earth. But individually, there are forces acting on the bodies.